Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
One tree, one tree, one tree, one tree. Like up the live as on the forward, like up the live as on the forward, like it up, tap up and like it up, make the algo push it, make the algo push it, like it up. Heart me and like up the live right away. Heart me and like up the live. Heart me and like up the live.
Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
A mix-up An Blenda time.
Yeah, me don't.
Greetings, people. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Like up the live, like up the live. I made an algorithm push it so that we get nice. Like an audience, juggling anything. Everybody like up the live right now. Heart me. I don't know if I do heart me by this. So do the heart me, like up the live, do the heart me, like up the live, do the heart me. When I not do the heart me, let me see if I not do it. Do the heart me. Remember, just touch the little heart sheet there. Not do it. Remember, just touch a little orange heart right beside my name and follow it and heart me. See the Antarsha just do it. And thing. Nikki say, I did it already. Then Marine said, me do it already. Greetings, you know, people. Big up on yourself. Conrad, me there, I'm a general, me there. You don't know, me there, I do what I do. You know what I'm saying? I'm a little grape juice I work with in the day, yeah. Right, natural grape juice, you know. Yeah. Me go say me a drink little grape juice and me go set. And I wet up my insides and I check myself and I say, that wouldn't sound too good, though. And I said, no, you know, so that I kind of pull back that one, build with that one day, you know, I really say that one day, you know. Sexy Mel, big up yourself, creme de la creme in the building. Jumpy! Large up yourself, bossy. All right, let me see, something upon our levels, yeah. Alright. Yeah. All people big up on yourself in the evening and thing a Ragashanti live. You don't know upon the TikTok and thing, upon the app and thing, large up on yourself. Miss Case, I look like me get some stiff. Oh God, I was enjoying a nice little sleep, man. I lie, you know, because I haven't been sleeping well. Remember the dog one good one day, you know? And from you know, for some time I remember the dog going good and then and deal with some things, you know, work related stuff and, you know, just nah, you know, the sleeping thing just off. And then the thing I go in the morning, I wake up like, I don't know if anyone have this, you wake up like 3 o'clock, somewhere thereabouts, 3 o'clock, and you can't drop back asleep. It's annoying, but it is what it is, you know. I'm known for drop asleep, you know. I'm known for relax, I'm known for, but you know it go. Tony Fox, where I go and Bobo, where I go and my friend, where I go and my charge. Big up yourself, you know, Fox, and big up your foot. Talking about foot, all the foot. Fox have an injured foot there, you know. All the foot, Fox, all the foot. Tony Fox, all the foot. Baby Lips, the next time you call me over, if it is a Baby Lips, I make trouble, though. Baby Lips, I don't know you look, you know. I don't know who they behind that, but that's something there, you know. I don't know you looking at Baby Lips, me a clutch, you know. Me don't know what go on. Me don't know who they behind. If something in a baby lips, people chat. I who baby lips. We don't know nothing about baby lips. All we know says that she and Star Boy set me up. But we don't know nothing about your baby lips. We don't know. We have to be careful in the baby lips because we don't know what is what. You know, send me no picture for me see her. Don't worry, you'll be surprised. Me don't know about that surprising. I wouldn't hurt you. Oh. Yeah. Let me tell you. And okay. I must have me can't fall. I fall for sweet mouth, you know. The one the lyrics them one. People, you know, so we they put masturbation mix up and a mix up related to masturbation. So I have one fresh off the press. It's from a TamFam, but she said she not call it. So she give it to me directly. Now, good say she was home and not feel too well. But she's Jamaican. And one thing with Jamaicans, they love them some Vicks. Right? Jamaicans love Vicks. It's like you have Jamaicans out there think that Vicks is the remedy for everything. Right? And them love rub it yasso. When me and I grew up, them love tip a little bit under your nose. Them still do that? Them still do the tip under the nose thing? Eh? Chat. TamFamers, them still do? Okay, them say yes. Okay. Me have to ask, you know, must say Raga old man. So my mom, you know, she just like, you know, you not feel too well. Even if you get rub up with it, you know, she just a little tip under your nose, you know. But Jamaicans, them just love them some Vicks. Sometimes it's just absurd the way them use the Vicks, and them love rub it up yourself too, you know. And believe it or not, despite the medicinal tea smell, you know what I'm saying? Enough Jamaican love the smell of Vicks. Remember, I said Vicks not smell sweet, you know, but it have that mental something there, and for whatever reason, some people just, I mean, I don't know, it just relax them or something. Tiger Balm too, but Vicks, Tiger Balm, yeah, but Vicks is the jam. Vicks is the easy. See, there's somebody, Sweet VG said Guyanese too. Yeah. All right. Big up to Bigo TikTok star rolling. All right. But Vicks just have the ratings there. And them people love for smell it. So much so that me see people have foot problem, you know. I end up rub Vicks up yourself for them. You tell me, you know, if you have foot problem, where rub Vicks up here? And the reason is, no, you must always rub it up yourself. Vicks must always go on your chest. Eh? Vicks must, Daniel Sebastians love it too. But you don't know about that something that it must always go on your chest. No care where you put it, you must always put it on your chest. You don't know about that too, right? No, Raga, your foot, it draw out things. What? I don't understand that. Right? All right, TikTok, remember, anybody who inbox me check the inbox them after, yeah. What you said there, double lock. Tracy, what you say a while ago about it draw out, I don't understand what you mean, it draw out any cold from your foot. People, you hear that? What she's saying, you have to put the Vicks on your chest to draw out the cold from your foot. Yeah, she's doing that traditional Jamaican Caribbean thing where things say you can't have cold in your foot, cold in your finger, cold in your knee, and of course, the most controversial what Jamaican have, cold in your bottom. Don't sit on the step. You will catch cold in your bottom. How many of you grew up with that something there? Eh? How many of you grew up with that something there? How many of you grew up with that? Don't sit on the step. Come on for the cold concrete. Don't sit on. You will catch cold in your bottom. Sandra, Rude Girl, Mika, Tasha, Vibe. You actually get piled from. We're not talking about pile now. We're talking about that something that we hear about. You will catch cold up in your bottom. Right? Where we grew up with. Now, sometimes you have these old wives' tales and them have some sort of truth to it, you know? But from when me talk to doctors and the doctors say it's foolishness. You can't catch your cold in your bottom. But one Maroon say, I rub Vicks underneath my foot bottom at night when I stand up longer daytime and it work. Okay. But it's that girl, if you sit on concrete, your pum-pum will sneeze. Oh my God. Well, me sit on cold concrete all the while, and thank God, I never hear my bottom sneeze yet. And I don't want it to ever sneeze. Because if my bottom really catch cold and I can identify that it catch cold and whatever, I'd be seriously concerned. Like, what the hell is going on with me? That don't sound right, right? And the doctor them say nothing can go so, but you sit on cold concrete and your bottom catch cold. But anyway, so this TamFam I tell you about now, she said she not feel too well and she just rub up with some Vicks. Because that's what you do. If you're not feeling well, you rub up with Vicks. So she said she rub up her chest with some Vicks and ting or whatever. So she said when she done now, she go to the bathroom and she wash off her hand good. Wash off her hand good with soap. And then she said she go back now and she lay down in her bed and she said she always what they sitting in here, what tape you show it, where record they show them, you know, so she have her DVR set up for record her show them and thing. So she said she always lay down and, you know, watch the car show them and thing. But she said sometimes when she can't sleep now, she would just rub off one, you know? Right? So she said when she can't sleep, she said a regular thing. When she can't sleep, she just rub off a look, you know, masturbate off one quick and get a look pop off. And she said she sleep better after that. And she said a regular she do that. She said, you know, she sleep alone. But she said a regular she do that. She said she do it quite often. Once she lay down in her bed and she can't sleep, she just rub off one hand thing and get a pop off and relax and thing, and it help her to go bed, you know, easy after that. Don't it Vibes Empire? So she said she do the usual now and she start rub off something, you know, rub off and thing and whatever. And, you know, she said she rub off and she said when she rub off, it is usually like a certain time when the thing build up. And she knows say the come, right? And she knows say the come, I come. She said she did that rub, but she not feel the build up, you know? She said she go and rub and thing, you know. She said when she rub, yeah, she have to think about certain things too. So she do her thing, you know, I think about her usual and I go and rub, you know. But she said she rub, and she not feel the build up at all. Remember, you know, she said regular she do them something, you know. Right? And she know I look at timing. And she said, no, the things kind of feel late in the night, you know, like it now come, but she go and rub and bill. And she said, the more she rub and bill and I work her thing, you know, Remember, the objective here is for she relax, you know? But she not relax now because goods are rub out what's sitting at, you know, and nothing not forward, you know. She said she did a rub, and she said she kind of get, you know, frustrated now and thing and whatever, like a walk on. So she start rub look more, you know, and I think about the thing and start wind up on it, you know, whatever, you know. And I go on, good says she rub out her good people. Mass Raga tell you know, them people that were here, they are talk about them sex for 1 hour and 2 hour and 4 hour and all them something there and whatever. You know what I'm telling you, say, half hour a straight sex, 20 minutes or half hour a straight sex. Enough time that, you know, right? You know, follow young people, man. Because when we did young, we couldn't get enough, right? 4 or 5 times a day and all them. So, but I just say in general, half hour. It's easy for say, you know, 20 minutes too long, 15 minutes too short, 20 minutes too short, 15 minutes too short, and whatever, you know, Let me tell you something, man. We're not talking about foreplay and nothing, about the actual thing. 20 minutes and a half for a long time, that enough jokings that here. Enough jokings that. Wait. Tina Lee, 3 hours. Tina, wait, the Angie Melly, 3 hours. You see what I tell you about the Canada people, them? You see what I tell you about the Canada people, them? You see what I tell you, say she not get none. You see what I tell you, say them not get none. The Canada people, them start out pop down. You see where she put? Miss Canada, Angie Melly. She sat out straight for 3 hours straight and whatever. Lie. Lie. She tell lie on her front. Lie. Any sensible person know. You know what? 1 and 2 times, you know, when you're young and whatever, you will have that look a marathon something there, that look a non-stop something there. We all know that, you know? Like one night when you charge or sitting or whatever, or a famous night or a memorable night when you did just wired and you have that one person that way that excited about or something. Yeah. And you shot a 1 hour straight and you shot a 1 hour straight and them something there and whatever. We know of those exceptional nights. But in general, hold on, America. In general, we know nobody do it straight for 3 hours. Like she tell pan her front. Our front are Melissa right, you know. Our front, when she just post 3 hours, Angie Melly post from Canada, post 3 hours a while ago. Our front look up on her and go, really? Really? I saw when you just type on Raga Live, like, really? Why you tell lie on me? Don't tell a lie on me. And furthermore, I don't want that for no 3 hours straight. What is wrong with you? You know, you when I say about Canada already, and you're going to make it look bad on Canada. It's like, seriously, you need to stop it. Stop it. Hey! Right? Yeah, our front argue with her right now. Angie Melly, your front are Malicia right now, because you just tell lie on your front. Right? Boy, you do it for 3 hours straight. Dirty liar. You're a puny liar. You are a puny liar. Right? You are pums mendacious. Yeah, right? Lie shuttle. People, after look at foreplay and look nice and all them something there, whatever. Like 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, half hour, that's good. That's good, right? On a good night, you may go past half up into 40 minutes. Enough something of that. I don't care. But anyway. So you know, say goods that they rub and goods say like, she rub for about more than half hour. People, For what rubbings and things, they say we shall go on with and thing and whatever, you know. Enough time that, you know, oh God. Me say when she tell me, you know, my mind, me I say our poor Trini. Because when we are caught up a thing now, you know, the issue. But when ladies are do them rubbings and them I use them finger and whatever. For you ladies who don't want to do the rubbings, what happened is, and take it from me, somebody who has directed these things, right? Tell ladies what to do and enjoy doing it. When am I do it? Well, let me see what Canada say. Half-4 is the beginning of 4. We're not talking about foreplay, we're talking about the straight jokings. But anyway, so when am I rub now, if the rubbing take long, you're not going to understand. Then I have to go back downstairs to go get some water before come back upstairs. Are you following me? Right? Then I have to go downstairs, we go get some water, you know. Because them dehydrated up top. You understand what I'm saying? We come back upstairs. Because them can't just upstairs are exercise and I rub. So because after a while, dryness. So we can go down, whatever, and come back upstairs. So goods, you know, end up probably I do that thing. She never give me them details, I'm assuming. So she go down and come back. After half for one thing, nothing that. She said the key thing, you know, she said she not feel the build up. She not feel the build up. Because, you know, when rubbings are going, you know, woman know when them feel it, when, you know, you look a sign, say, yeah, it a come. It's on the horizon. It's coming. So she said she don't even feel that, much less we go pop off. But she don't even feel the build up. So I saw now, she said after a while, she just kind of like, and she like, and when she checked, she said there's something numb up, you know. Numb up. So she wonder if there's something wrong with her or whatever. Because when she checked down, you know, she go downstairs and thing. No, when she look on the something and whatever, she say numb up. And I saw now she look on her and but she say, no the Vicks. The Vicks still there on her hand. She did wash her hand, you know. She wash her finger them, you know. She say, you know. But I think the Vicks strong, you know. The Vicks strong like you will wash it out, but you may, you know, I don't know. Vicks strong, you know. You may wash it out, but it may feel like it a soaking or something, you know. You don't know about that something there. Like Vicks hard for wash off. I saw it go. Yeah, if Vicks numb up is something, man. What them call the man in our boat. If Vicks numb it up, nothing can do. So all the rub goods are rubbed and she can't feel the build up or come and whatever. And numb the Vicks, numb up it thing. The Vicks is doing what Vicks supposed to do. But remember, you know, she wash her hand and she wash her hand good, but yeah, I guess you can wash your hand, but the Vicks still kinda, you know? That's how it go. Like I guess when we know the smell. Because you put on Vicks. What your Rick said, new code unlock. Put some palm on, wash it off, and rub it palm boy. You hear what him say now? Him basically I say him a go rub Vicks pan him thing. No, but you have to be careful with that, Rick, because we ain't gonna whatever on our work now, you know. Good as we say, yo, yeah, wind up in there, but in the feel cool, man. It feel mentally. You know, get a mental. But yeah, and that good said the thing numb up. She said she have to love out that something there, man. She said nothing could work in her night there because the thing numb up from the Vicks. So ladies, if you know, say you're going to do your thing, self-reliance, you look at your little self-help activity. You don't want to have whatever it is. Well, if a finger you use, you want to avoid Vicks. Yeah, because the Vicks numb up goods thing. Goods couldn't go on with nothing. I am Caribbean. We have to shake up the ice. So the thing go. Well, that is that. So, that with upon masturbation mix-up or any other mix-up. masturbation mix-up or any other mix-up. Right. Yeah, man, she go through her thing. I'm drinking grape juice today. Grape juice, I do it today, you know. And again, me just want to say good evening to you and thing. And everybody there, if you not do a heart me yet, do it right now. If you not do a heart me yet, do it right now. You're not supposed to know if you do a heart me. Remember, you can do one every 24 hours. You can do it one at a time every 24. Well, once every 24 hours. What am I saying? All right. So masturbation mix-up or any other mix-up one. What is let me see this thing here. Mm-hmm.
Raga, raga, raga.
One maroon, what go on?
What?
I'm a day, you know. They are easy, you know, what go on with you.
Me nah Vicks up for nothing.
See it.
I have one little mix up. Me nah know if it a go shot, you know, but you know, you have to go fix it.
Remember, no, don't even think about that. Just say what I say and make it
Yeah,
go
man.
if you go. Mm-hmm.
So,
No,
one
don't
time-
fix it. Just tell me what
me
happened.
nah fix it, man. Me
Yeah, no, do nothing. Don't put nothing in it. Because you're going to spoil it. They didn't
No,
try
me
to
nah.
make it extra to a point.
Oh,
Just
no,
tell me
no.
what happened. Yeah.
And you know, me never do them something there. So
Right.
this guy, you know, him get a little bus figure England.
Yeah.
So you ain't well and close them, you know. And shot guy England from here say B man him did a go to one chichi man. So
Yeah.
I know what happened, him never pass the airport of England. Then send him back down on the same plane. So he come back down and ask him cousin them back for him clothes and him and him mother catch up on one occasion and him and him mother get up and cuss every morning. So one day, you know, because him mother find out say my chichi, you know. So one man him and him mother cuss and him tear out in situation give him mother.
Mm-hmm.
My mother look, him mother said, Jesus God, cookaki chaki na me son batty hole.
Cocky track. Then wait, what it look when we hear like
Yeah.
what it look open up or something?
Me don't know, brother. But she find out say my chichi man and into your team situation gear. And she bad.
So the situation was a big situation. It was a huge situation, don't it?
Look so.
Okay. And what she call it? Cocky track?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man. Hey.
I see which party walk.
Man, I say we water walk go a pumpkin belly. I want different sitting that. But what I know, you don't know say something like that happen in August town. And brethren, you know. But he might go up Bandolo. Right? So on a straight thing he might go up and you know. And he make this huge spectacle go around and give him furniture, give him bed, and he might give her this and that and whatever. But when he might do it, for him just do it discreetly and calmly and whatever, he might beard and dress up, you know, like he might go somewhere, you know. But now I go nowhere, you know, all he might do I go around and I go to and give him furniture to different places. And you know, with a little bit of hype and all I tell the woman, yeah, man, I feel like a place, man, because you don't know. No better no day I saw, you know, no future no day I saw. That's why I mean say fly out and think I'm one piece of hype in the pan, you know. And go on. The person where you talk about him reach the other country and then send him back. This is one I don't even leave Jamaica. He don't even leave Jamaica, then pick up say bundle him and go pan and thing and send him right back to Augustown there. You know, say he go right round to everybody and thing. And somebody who him they give the mattress and thing, then take out for them old mattress and have it outside. And the old mattress did go wet up and thing. The man come take back for him mattress and thing. Say, brethren, I said, you know, set my mattress wet up and thing. You know, have somewhere you can stay tonight till my mattress dry. Him say, no, he want back his mattress now. Take back his mattress, but take back his dresser from wing and go right back and take back everything from everybody who ain't get.
Yeah, Raga, you know, see somewhere up there so it happened too.
Up Augustown side it happen?
No, up in the hills. pass up in the hills, pass Garden Town and go up.
Oh, a Constitution Hill down.
No, one place named Content.
Oh, Content up that side there. Yeah.
That's how it happen.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
And him have to run away, go somewhere down in the country until they must kill him down there.
What, because he was gay?
I don't know what it happened, but somehow he ended up dead somewhere down the country.
John. Anyway, Maroon, big up yourself. Maroon, your throat sound dry. You want some of my grape juice?
No, me not drink.
Nobody take shoe off. Nobody take shoe off and
Me
thing.
not use
Me have
sugar.
a little grape.
Me
No.
not use sugar.
Well, no sugar no in this. A natural grape juice, no sweetener, nothing. No, I'm serious.
Me
Me
no
no
want
use sugar.
nothing. Me have sorrel in my fridge.
Stop
Fanta
take
for
shoe off
sorrel.
and thing. Me I give you look your throat sound dry, your throat sound parched and thing and whatever. Me I give you look grape juice. Stop take shoe off and take your grape juice and done.
I
Sip
mean, I
some.
don't know if you have mix in there.
Sip some. What you say? You don't know if you have Vicks in that grape juice. What? You ain't want no juice for she. All right, Maroon, bless up, man. Cool. See it there? Okay. Me have to put the phone way over this side, that's why. And then me have to reach over and thing, you know. Elegance. I'm gonna stop calling you see more, you know. Where go on? Way up to an idea, yeah.
Bossy.
Yeah, where go on?
Well, go on. All right. So, me use the Vicks on purpose, but my story though, I don't want with the eucalyptus oil.
Yeah, how that go?
So you know, say yeah, my stuffy, my day in America, I still use my Vicks, my eucalyptus oil, everything me use up here same way. Yeah,
Yeah.
we're all bad. So you know, me sprinkle the eucalyptus oil on the pillowcase. So you know that it flash dash. Anyway, you know, I have a range of stuff. So you know, me did that some boy, Mr. Stuffy, I really go lie down. I say, you know, I want me lick out one before I go lie down.
A rub out,
Why,
rub out one. Well, facts.
Leave me
Facts,
story
facts,
alone.
facts,
My
facts.
story.
Facts. When you attack to we, you can't say lick out one. We're gonna get confused.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
All right.
cause of you.
Okay.
Well,
all
why
right.
me I echo? Why me I echo back for?
I don't know. You know, say, oh, I know.
Yeah, man, something I echo back.
Yeah, well. All right. My bad.
Check. All right,
no.
it gone now. Yes, it gone.
All right.
So you have to say rub out. Say rub out one. And we're going to say rubbings here.
All right. You see,
Because when you say lick out one, we don't know what kind of lick.
All right. Okay. So you see, for the outies, normally we just say lick out, and for the innies, you just say rub out. Put your face. Oh Jesus Christ! The money on the boat. If you have like, you say like for us outies. Yeah, we lick it out. We lick out one, cause we can play with it like how you play with your one. And then for the innies now, them rub out. Cause nothing ever come out. Get it?
Yeah, but you may want to understand what you say, but you may want to fix up what you say.
Okay.
Yeah, you just say, because when Uno are doing a thing, Uno can play with it the way we men play with our thing.
Yeah, for the Audis.
Not like how we do it, because you cannot imply, say, for example, our thing are the same size as phone or something or whatever. You're going like you want to come disrespect the program in the facts.
I'm not disrespect the program in the bossy, but remember also.
Hold on. Uno have enough phone, you can hold it, so no.
I have gone up to 4 inches. It hurt. It hurt though.
Wait.
Yeah. When we use the pump.
No, wait. Woman have clit will go up to 4 inches?
No, but I used the pump. Remember, I had the pump to help.
What do you mean the pump? What do you mean?
Type in like what you type in the other day and put in pump and you will see it.
No, I know. I man have pump to make it whatever, but I never know.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hold on. What honestly, it's the second night in a row no me I learned that sleeve something, that sleeve something with me here. You know much people right man I laugh off of me. Never gotta look at the sleeve thing I run place long time.
So
come on.
About from passion parties for all of us older folks.
No, matter about
from them time they sleeve.
Me never know say it's me talk about the extent, like for make it for man make them penis longer, like them put on or something. They like apparently it run the place long time. If people them beat me, kill me. I want me to you. Look how long that depend. I brethren right me and say a theme woman by cause him say a 4 inches him have and when him put on that I hate him have and whatever and him say woman love it. It's a thing out there, me never know.
Yes.
But some me tell her say, no, me I go learn something again because I didn't know that lesbians use pump on them. Me never know, honestly. Me never know.
Yeah, for get better stimulation. However, Jesus, Raga. The time it takes for actually go back is like 4 to 5 days. When me I tell her say, yeah, walk.
Listen here.
You're walking with a permanent purple post.
You're walking with a
A permanent purple post.
Oh my days.
When I have the blue one, we have the purple one. Yeah.
Oh, you mean when men get blue balls?
Yeah, women get purple posts. Mm-hmm.
Oh, hold up. No, una deal with me wicked tonight. Una deal with me billions today. Una deal. One una have something where we have blue balls, una have something in purple pussy and the same thing where it hurts.
Yeah, man, all your belly bottom, you come like, let me say, gas take you up. I say you feel
no. So wanna pump it up for like for pleasure?
Oh, you think so? Nobody? The only thing I wish, I just told my belly alone. My belly take off the whole of the force and still around.
No,
you get the visual quickie. You see you're fast when you're fast and you're slow when you want to be slow.
Well, sometimes I'm deliberately slow. But in this time, I never know anything about the pump. I gotta be honest with you. I never know say like women use the pump on them when them clip feel like I didn't know that.
Yeah, man. Well, but as I'm tell you, say, but I always envision myself. I get a proper back eyes, but it never work out. My belly alone take out the one.
Well. So you say sometimes you have imagined yourself like pump it up. And say, yo, this big enough, man, I can't send her a back for your girl. For your girl. But you said to your belly always there, your belly black it down.
Black, I said, Georgia.
But you see, you're no man, so you don't even know. So you don't know if you lean back and then push up your pelvis. You never know if you try that.
And then the one of my belly, and then me have stitches all night. So sometimes, when I was outside, back in the day, when I was outside, you think,
Wow.
Yeah, some of them women, you think it easy?
What you mean?
Some of them trunk, not trunk. You have to make sure all your poor little arm, and you don't already know some me shape like them linebacker already, and you that think say me that have strong arms.
Yeah.
Sometimes when I done a morning time, the whole of my hand them feel like spaghetti.
What do you mean?
Because sometimes when you have to hold up one foot and then hold up the other foot, remember, you know, me have to try for.
Are you all up the other woman foot?
Why not? When my strap?
Oh, when you have on your strap on.
Yeah.
So when you have on your strap on, you hold up woman leg to like man and thing and whatever.
You know. And them I tell us if I go deeper to you depend how much further you want me go. I can't feel when I go miss.
like the brother at Jamaica, what him name again? He call himself he was a comedian, you know. But him say one time a woman I give him a backers, you know. And him say my work. But there's a problem. Man always talk about woman. Man love big body woman, you know. But
yes.
if you don't have enough length and thing, is an issue because it block you. So you have to make sure say you go under whatever. But anyway, he must say she know some woman bottom just round up, you know. So even when, you know, when woman bend over, and when them not bottom and then bend over, it look like them are bottom. No?
Bottom, right?
Yeah, and thing. But he must say even when they bend over, the way of fear one shape, it curve round, still come under, you know. So him say him try him best to say him lean and a poop, you know, but you know, him have just so much length, you know. And he say, and she did that wine it up, and then she say, come no man, go deep on a man, go deep on a man, I want me to you, go deeper. And him say, I try, I say, you know, go deeper. He said, when my goodness, me run out of khaki, me run out.
Brother, between me and you know, some of them women are crave me, you know.
Don't.
Jesus.
No. So when you say sometimes,
you ask women never born with miss.
So well, how you feel work when I hear a girl in fact, and you use a strap on, and the strap on them come ready made size, and
but
and
it
them
depends, you know, it depends.
And them I tell you, if you go deep, I see them.
Yeah, because remember say the smallest me did have, you know, I did 9. And remember say my belly alone take off 3. So we start equivalent. No, but you know, you learn. So that's remember one time they tell us at 12, I have a 12. I remember you tell me, so but when me, I said, but what you mean when me I go with 12? If my belly alone, I take off 3 to 4. What did they for them get? Not left for them get. I'ma tell us some of them greedy for no reason.
Well, I can ask a stupid question, please.
All right, stupid away.
All right, stupid away. Yeah, and this is going to be stupid because it is a.
God,
hold on, man. It is a heterocentered question.
Okay.
If a woman them love that feeling there, you know, if you say I want instrument in them and all a ball feet go deep and send it up and ram it and whatever. Why get it from one false thing strap on to a woman? Why not get what's my guess is
okay.
It's different when a woman. It's still different when a woman do it. Is that something that go on there? Like
I want to, but as you say before, to remember.
Yeah.
We now really feel it. You get what me I try? Yeah. So remember, you know, some men the minute them put in them pop off. So equivalent to our 30 minutes now. Well, we can, if you get a good 30 minutes, you get one leap and you better satisfy. Right now, foot now work. Leave me alone. But as to get 30 minutes as straight as to them 15 or them 10 minutes. You get what me I try to come with? Okay, so
yeah, but hold on, but give it that. Really, I can't find men who can do that. I am thinking, and correct me if I'm wrong, that that attraction for them, it's still a woman doing it, which is different from a man, right? And that's what the attraction. Okay.
and that probably like, oh, I'm getting the best of both world. Them I look on it wholly per different way, but remember, the one who them can get the 30 minutes from them only I get 4 or 5, or the 4-inch and the 5-inch or the 6-inch. As to the one that have so much blood, what if carry the 10 and the 11 and the 9, them not gonna get that same run, the duration.
Well, hold on. I hear you, and you are still talking, and you are the authority on this, obviously. But you know, you are still in the physical. One of the things I know is that sexual enjoyment, sexual attraction, and enjoyment is defined not only during sex,
but it's also mental.
No, right. So what people enjoy in sex is inextricably tied to the general relationship outside of sex.
Right.
So when a woman, when for heterosexual sex, so when a woman enjoys sex with a man, you can have just the physical, but most times when a woman enjoys sex with a man, is because of other things outside of sex where she enjoy with him, and that make the sex special with the man. So I'm thinking that is the same thing with lesbians, right? You know, so if a lesbian strap on and whatever, there is something going on outside of the sex where she like you know say that woman, that butch lesbian is a protector, is a this and understand her certain way, relate to her with something about.
Hold on. Don't go too far. Come back right to so. All right. What if I tell you when them as what them quint? I feel it. With a strap on, I can feel it. It literally me feel like the tunny I pull, and I'm like, what? And that you go with? And it, you know, on the love labor can say work a thing, yeah. And it's like in my head, me I say, you know, me's a fucking liar. Oops, you know, me's a damn liar. I wonder if me really feel nothing. And I've questioned myself many times, but I said, no, man, me feel it that time for real.
Somebody in that chat said true.
Me feel it.
Because when you say it a while ago, me I say, you know, it's a fact step for idiot. Me to feel what?
Boss, you say all when them
but you say the pull. You say the pull.
Me feel it, yes. You say all when them come.
But you not say you feel it like how we feel it though.
No, I will never dare say that.
Okay.
I will never dare say that. But then again, me say, but hold on there. But you say all when them come, me feel like me I drop down too. I've been there. I'm depend you know so the wrong size my walk with. Trouble my look. Yeah, I'm here for put knees together.
When you feel like you tired to like you are come to now.
No, me do that too. But me I tell you so sometime when them come and the gateway open up, and me I drop them, me I say blow.
Yeah, and the portal open up down. When the portal
open up. When the portal me say me walk with the wrong size.
Oh.
Yeah, so me feel like in now, lock the knee them now, turn it upon the side, and I say, oh no, I know for what I do, I want to live in a dream. Me understand the struggles.
Yeah, and you kind of have some of our pain, don't you?
Yes, I feel it, brother.
You feel our pain. The irony.
Yes.
The irony.
Some of them big man together, you know, nice to look at.
No, the irony, don't it? You are lesbian. Say, Jano, you know, I feel the straight man peeing them right there saying, no, give it up, my brother. We're going through the same struggle over here.
You know, when they work. Yo, right now, the reason point right now. In a one little part road, a one little place. I say, when they say we're gonna do it again Friday, all right, then I must go sleep for Friday because I can't afford for me name by the road.
Yeah.
I'm inside now, you know, so me have 6 yard. Foot or no foot.
All right, me gotta take some other call and thing. But what you eat from you eat food, you eat dinner and thing?
Yes, man.
What did you have for dinner? What did man me say eat, me attack
I
food
know what you meant.
with knife and fork and pepper and thing like that. Mm-hmm.
Goated soup, my drink.
You had goated soup?
Yes, sir.
Oh, cool. There's this restaurant over here in Queens. They do it every Friday. So And some Fridays I do get it. But them a drop off from what day, it not have the pepper and the seasoning there, it
And
a
then I
get
tell her to
blandish.
everybody about, and people are complaining. I lie them, I tell her the chef them change.
Yeah. No, the food drop off with you and the chef change. Me stop going, and I call the name obviously, but me stop going restaurant there, whatever, because me go to boom and I say, oh, not taste the same, man. Look, them bring in one old man, they import thing in can.
Can't manage.
Can't
Anyway, me know some when me call for tell about my eucalyptus oil. We get and we get tomorrow. Tomorrow if you have more order. Cause we can't hold up the thing the right way.
All right, boo. Yeah,
Take me down.
All right, me charge it. Cool, man.
Yeah.
So me keep on and get an echo to them when the call. Big up on yourself, All right, masturbation mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have any other mix-up wanna have a Ragashanti live up on the TikTok. Remember, if you watch right, you know you not follow me yet, follow me now. Follow me now. Follow me right now. You not follow me yet, follow me right now. Because if you not follow me, you're gonna get Bigfoot. That was a joke. I know somehow I'm gonna take it serious and think about them. Alright. If you not follow me yet, follow me now. Colleen, big up yourself. Me see you. Joyce, welcome to the family, Alright, big up yourself. You're a TamFam now. See? If you not follow me yet, follow me now. Alright then, make we go over here so and see what is what done. Teddy Bear, big up yourself, Yeah, other person that come up and gone, so. John, large up yourself, Teddy Bear. Respect and honor. Alright. I put angels around you to keep you from harm. Hello? 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 Yet another person come up in the chat and in the box and, no response. Hold on. Okay, let's do this. I put angels around you.
Raga.
Yeah, what's up?
Wagwan.
You know, some day I live a good life and I give thanks.
Me say I have a piece of pasta mix up figure. Me only hope nobody no pick up my voice.
Box me in my nastiness with it. Send it on.
So,
yeah.
You know I say, a couple years ago in a COVID, right?
Yeah.
Me did a God this church, so pastor did it nice and look good,
Mm-hmm.
So me say, all right, I forget pastor, but pastor married.
Yeah, you say you forget piece of pastor, though.
No, but pastor married.
Yeah.
In a business, guys, pastor young, but pastor married to big woman.
Oh.
Anyhow, me and pastor did a text and pastor they tell me what God do to me when he buck me in a raga.
Yeah.
He say, one night now, well shave up, put on me string, nice, just everything,
Mm-hmm.
I say, me go check pastor.
You tell who?
My mother. Say me I go check pastor. So my mother said, along, anything you look for you go get raga, get
Tell me, yeah. I be you're chipping and chip. Yeah, go on, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Anyways, pastor come now and pick me up.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, COVID in a curfew. So
yeah.
Pastor said, kick back the front seat and lie down, cause if police stop me go tell them, say, your belly they hurt you.
Yeah.
When we reach our part, no police stop the car. So me lie down with my hand over my head. So the police, they identify themselves and ask him when doing say, I'm a man of religion.
Yeah.
So the police say, what you on the road I do them at time yeah? I'm doing community service.
Yeah.
So the police say, what happened? So pastor say, my church sister here, she's pregnant and she's feeling pain, so I'm taking her to the hospital. So me lie down like a poor thing now in a raga. Anyways, police come around and say, Miss, what is wrong? So me say, my belly hurt me. So me say to police, we galang now. So me say to pastor, pastor, suppose the police them did say them a escort we got the hospital. What you go do? Pastor say that press gas and when you reach 9 lane in lock off the car. Anyways, reach a pastor yard. Me yard good you know. When me reach a pastor yard, me want fart. You can't say fart?
Yeah man.
Me say
you can't fart too if you want fart.
Me can't fart, raga.
What you say pastor do?
Hitch up under me can't fart. He now left the room. Me can't fart. Me say me nearly dead. Anyways, time for do the do. I know. Me I tell about 6 years in a raga. I know pastor not turn up. Pastor can't.
What you mean 6 years? You mean this was in COVID, right?
Yeah, in a COVID time.
What time was 6 years?
Roughly 5, 6.
Yeah.
Somewhere
2020, yeah, 2020 it started. Yeah.
Me say ready for do the do. Pastor can't get up. Pastor can shift, I walk, I pump, I do everything. Pastor now move raga. So me say no man. Me say then me really shave up, nice panty and everything for pastor just go lay down hitch up underneath me. New Year the night did and we did it. Me can't sleep, you know, cause I first minute I pastor yard, you know. And me well anxious cause pastor they tell me what ain't go do to me, you know, man, you know. They time the pastor like 32, 33, somebody there so. So me can't sleep now cause pastor they tell me what ain't go do to me. And when me reach, boy now move, boy now get up, boy soft, boy dead, nothing.
Yeah.
So when it catch ball 5 o'clock now, I'm ready for go me yard. Me feel pastor finger done there. So me say no, I know this me combo. Me say I know this me combo. So anyways, me tell him say me ready because the community where me live in now, people go bush early. So me tell pastor say, me ready. Pastor crawl over upon me. Not even 1 minute, he not even get for pushing the raga. He just drop back bluff. So me they wonder.
In Papa or in Papa?
No, he not turn up, raga. He not turn up.
30 a day old and he not stand up, right?
Not turn up. So me they wonder. Me say no, mama, must me the problem. Me say I me the problem. I mean no, say I know me the problem, raga.
You never try help him out with a little headers.
Raga, me do everything.
Everything and nothing. And
only
you
thing
pump,
me never
you
do
lick,
I put me mouth down there cause me can't go pray upon it dead.
Yeah.
Me do everything.
So you not think so you could have kiss it also like whatever.
No, raga, me can't pray upon it dead.
Can't pray upon it dead.
No.
Okay. No good for your mouth.
Pastor, probably a God did a show with sign.
Yeah, all right.
So,
and yes, so
me ready for go me yard, right? He come over.
Yeah.
Not even pushy. Only thing he get that is to put his finger in there. Anyways, when me they go up now, cause me tell us say community where me live people get up early for go bush. When me look to some boy that me see on the road, they want to see me there ducking at the car front. When the light out no one, you one of them, you think me not see in a pastor car. Man, you know, pastor married, you know, everybody know a pastor in the community, you know. Me start fret now, me no know what to tell them. Me say me, I know me, you know, see, yes, when me tell my mother says, serve your right. Me has gone to church now. When pastor they pray, pastor they rub down in front, you know. Hear my mother now. And when they rub down and in have no use. In a church, you know, raga.
Your mother said that to you, though.
My mother, because the relationship with me and my mother have.
Yeah.
We have a good relationship.
Yeah, you don't hide nothing. And you don't hide nothing from your mother.
No.
So your
mother
mother. Yeah.
Somebody in a comment say where was the wife? Him live a country and the wife they a town.
Okay.
So the wife work. So the wife normally come down per weekend. Cause the wife work. Mr. Raga? Nothing.
Nothing at all.
Me say me coulda get locked up for nothing, Raga.
Jesus and peace.
Me say police coulda lock we up for nothing and pastor.
Of course, all of this is in Jamaica, right? Jamaica.
In a Jamaica, Raga.
I mean, know you depend somewhere from the middle go over to the west, or one of them parishes from the middle go over to the west. Because you say midday and you say lidong and whatever, and so people over that side. Western part.
People.
Senti, yeah, man, over that side.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, over that
Me
side.
say, pastor na have no. Then, here the funniest part now, after all of this done now in a Raga, pastor go ask me, say, when me go see you again, where you want to see me again for? Where you want to just live on a hitch up and that?
So why you think that me like 32 them time there and in come up or
why, Raga? I don't know. I did tell me co-worker them the drama today. They say probably I got a show with sign.
God, that's what you're saying. God, not make it raise up, though.
I don't know what
pastor they are raise everybody. Spirits are raise everybody.
And for him can't
get him one now raise and whatever.
Raga for him now move. Me say until now.
You see it. Anyway, and you're a good girl, though. You can't do your thing. You're bad for yourself out, though.
Me can't do my thing.
You can't do your thing. You can't kind of hear now advice, you know, so you can't work, you know. Because anyway, they get the run with the pastor and thing and with that deal with them case.
Me can't do my thing, but me can't pray over the dead.
Yeah, you can't
and
pray
over
the
dead no look like it did go rise, none at all.
And neither upon the third day nor the fourth day or the
me
fifth day.
said that the dead now rise, Raga. Me couldn't do it. I could have never do it.
Yeah.
Me say no normal. Poor pastor, right, Raga? Big up yourself.
No say a word, man. Big up your, hear what? Big up your mother for me too, you know.
Alright.
And your mother sound like a soldier in 19.
Me say, Raga will hide no from we one another.
You got some man seeing.
Yeah, man.
Alright, blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, mommy, I want them mother. Yeah, you're going to get what you're going to look for. Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself. You're going to get what you look for. You know, the mother and the auntie. Yeah, man. You're going to get your fixing, man. Nah, keep your kin quiet in like COVID and thing. One chance. You're going to get what you look for. Most that mommy did I say to her. More.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, what go on? Why may I get so much echo from people tonight, man? Yeah. Check.
You hear me better?
No, me I hear you good. Me just I hear my voice. Yeah, go on talk. Yeah.
I don't know if I church segment tonight. What about it?
No wrong, man. You just send and mix up, man. I raga something in a mix up for days. Yeah.
Alright, so this is like, alright, so my old job I used to work when I work no more. I used to work like on Sunday, so since of lately I work on Sunday no more, so you know, try for just more time going to the church. On Sunday daytime go to church. And you know what? Give God thanks and whatever.
Yeah.
Anyways, he's not a Christian, I make sure I get that clear. But
right.
The church I'm go, the pastor for the church used to deal with him brother. So
you used to deal with the pastor brother?
Yes.
Okay.
Deal with the pastor brother. And then the pastor mother, which are the man mother too, are the first lady of the church. So at Sunday daytime when I go to church now, I see the pastor and I see the mother. Now the man is not a Christian, so I don't really go to church neither. But Raga, why every time when me in the church, I can look upon the pastor and I wonder if him operate the same way like him brother. When the mother get up and all pray all them little something there, all me are thinking on the head say, boy, I wonder if she know where her son capable of and all them little things there. You know the way there? It's like, you know, me in the church and me I think about, and the man not really in nothing no more, you know, but it's like, I can't, but every time I see the pastor, I see the mother, it's like, I just think about the man, I just wonder, say, if the pastor bad like him brother and all him something there. Why am I not
Because,
know?
well,
I'm
because
make
him
me
brother
cry
could have
or
work.
what?
Him brother could have work good. Brother could have gone good.
Yeah, brother could have gone good, especially in mouth game like up to the par. In mouth game
Him head
bad.
game, him swiping good.
Yes.
So you and so when you are look at him brother preach, one TV on, one TV on near you or something.
Oh, my son, what's up?
Oh yeah, man, yeah, just move it from it a little bit. Yeah. So when you are look at him now, you wonder if him good like him, brother. You just feel your body a call for him and a curious.
Yes. In a church, I'm gonna like them something come here. I say, no man, them something them I don't know, I never love man like that. I don't know.
Yeah,
Them
go on,
something they can't write, Raga.
Yeah.
But when me in the church, I think when I see the pastor, I just think about the man. When I see madam, I just think about the man. You ever do some things that you wonder say as a grown adult boy, if your mother ever see you, or if your mother ever know the things that we are do. Like me, I look on all him and I say, boy, I wonder if your mother know all them things, all them techniques, or when bad pan.
You just curious, you wonder, don't?
Yes, man.
So nothing you never make no move towards that or anything.
Towards what?
No, since you did I wonder why, why I'm like or whatever, you never make him know.
Who, the pastor?
Yeah.
No, sir.
You did just a loss off of him, so you did.
No, I don't really listen. I just, but I don't know why my mind just I think like I wonder if him have the same capability like him brother, but I don't really lost. And I like me, I look on him like that type of way. Yeah, but we just can't help but fear thing. Remember they at church, me supposed to focus on God and have my, them go here there. Me I think about the man and him brother and him mother and do a little. I don't know.
No, but what you mean, like when you see mother, you all think about him same way. Like that is a little bit. Some people would listening that right now and be like, well, that's a little bit unusual. Like even when you see mother, you think about him like, oh, what him head game is like, or when sort out is like. Why you think that was?
I don't know, Raga. I don't know. Mama say want prayers. Mama want plenty prayer. I don't know. I don't know.
Well, how long ago was this now?
Huh?
How long ago was this?
Like me and the man stopped talking a little while now, but like I still got a church. I still see them, but still got a church. I last week, but they had a church.
Oh, so this is something you're experiencing, like like now, right? Fairly recently, right?
Yeah.
Are you saying that you don't think you want you broke up with that one there? You broke up with the one where you used to deal with the one
I
about
know
church.
say me and him still talk good and him still like try to get with me and him something about me and him not sexually active like that no more. But we still talk and we still every now and then we reach out to him about my nah look. When I leave on a bad term. So
right.
There's something still there. But I don't know. I don't know.
But you're not think about him then, obviously. You're not think about female, the one who you know already. You're not think about him. But you think about him, brother.
As I say, I not just the brother, me. When I see mother, I still I think about like me I think about him. But true for them, I don't know if I explain it, Raga. I don't know if I explain it, yeah.
No, but let's see if we can get a grasp on it somewhat. And again, we can understand how it can be somewhat confusing. But you have no desire for him. So, in effect, he's your ex, right? You have no desire for him. But you have a heightened curiosity.
No, it's not all right. I'm going to tell you the honest truth, Raga. It's not like I don't have no desire for him. It's like me, I suppress the desire then.
Oh,
yes, it's like more I move past him. You know what I'm type of way there? So, even when he come to me, I still talk to me. I try for us. Just hush that. I not try for look. You understand me? But the desire is still there.
Okay.
Yes.
If you don't mind me asking anything, are you active otherwise? You get some otherwise?
No, get it nowhere else.
Nowhere else or whatever. You think that there's a possibility that in the suppression of your desires for the one that you want to get over, you you're being reminded of it, even though you suppress it, you reject it, you deny it. By seeing his relatives, you're being reminded of it, and it's triggering that over there on that side.
Maybe that's what it is in a Raga.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, I think that is exactly what it is.
Right. So it's like by seeing the brother, you can't not think of your ex, because seeing brother, yeah, seeing mother, yeah, because clearly you have no desire for the mother in particular.
Hell no.
But
Not neither the brother
right.
neither.
Neither the brother.
I have not desire for the brother neither, to be honest.
But somebody may listen to this and I say, who shall lust after the brother? You're totally not lusting after the brother. You don't have no desire for the brother. But when you see the brother and you see the mother, these sexual impulses are triggered. But it is with that which you're suppressing from basically the ex, the one where you want to get over. So there is some kind of struggle and process going inside of you where, in your effort to get past him, you're still not yet past him. So and in not yet being past him, you have to deal with these triggers that remind you of him, that are manifested in the brother and the mother.
Yes.
So the source where you go forget some release from church, right? And you go to church, you get your redemption for praise, your God forgive, God thank, and forget some security too from whatever it is you deal with in a life and trying to get past him. But that very source, that very space that you go to get your deliverance, your freedom, your liberalization and whatever, it is also the source of some profound triggers that are reminding you of the person that you're trying to get past and move past.
Yes, and I don't like it because it's just weird. Like, how can I be also have a lot of think about them things here? You understand me? But it's like a thought when I don't know, suppress. It's like it just come up in my head when we see these people, like, but they at church and we supposed to give thanks. Me I think about that man in the most like derogative way. Like, it's weird. You understand me? Like, that's not me, but me don't know.
And just to bring home the point, there are other men in the church who probably look good too and whatever and things like that. And when you see them, you don't feel nothing from them or nothing like that and whatever. So it means then that the person who those sexual thoughts are triggered from is the relative of the person you're struggling with and making an effort to get over.
Exactly.
You understand? So that is why that is happening. And again, you go to church to help you to get over him. But it is in the church.
I go to church to get over, over him. But you know, I mean, me personally want to. I personally want to. Because that's why I'm end things. Because it never that going to win on my eyesight. I never feel like it was supposed to be where it was supposed to be. So end things like a few months ago. But we still, as we say, like, I just stop talking to him, and then if we pop up to know we are and talk to me, message me morning, we're good, you're good, whatever, we talk. But if me for push the effort, if me for just say, Ray, my back in bed, you understand me? And me, I suppress that. I don't want that. To me, I'm over it. But then come like my mind and tell me something else when I go to church and see these people, like, what
when
the
you
hell?
see them, the reminder of them. And then to compound it, we can tell from what you have said thus far that you do have a respect for the Lord and the church as a sacred space, that you're not supposed to be thinking about those things and whatever. But then,
Well, I'm surprised to know some things that people think about in a church.
I know, but I'm saying
because
you respect the church.
Trust me, I don't hear people say them do all manner of evil in a church and them things that can't even cross my mind. And just me even think about this, it makes me feel some type of way. Like, what the hell is wrong with me? You understand me?
Right. And it sounds, do you think that if you weren't seeing the brother and seeing his mother, you wouldn't be thinking about these things? Does it follow?
Maybe, because I visit at a church too. And when I'm at the church, I'm all right, I'm not thinking about nobody because I'm not see these people. So I don't know.
Well, if the goal is to get over him for real, and and part of the process in getting over him is not to be exposed to reminders and the triggers of him, then it might be a good idea for you to at least temporarily for a while to avoid that church until you complete that process of getting over it.
It look like that me have to go do Raga for true.
You may have to do that, you know.
Look like that me have to go do for real.
Yeah,
As I said, I visit other church even recently. I'm not feeling a type of way. I mean, good looking man in the church. I'm not really go for look no man, Raga.
Exactly.
I'm not go for look no man. I'm not go about
so
no man.
It's not a lost thing because you don't feel it with the other man them. You don't feel it with the other man where you see or whatever.
The brother, you know, like for saying, like, you know, it's just like certain thought where the song and it come to my mind and I say, like, seriously? Like,
I'm gonna keep it 100 with you now. Talk your guy truth. You know, you earn more time and want to look loving and look jokings, don't?
Yeah, but as I say, I suppress them things because I know I want them and I really, not that I want it, but I don't need it. If you understand what I'm saying.
Right,
as I tell you, say, if me did really want,
you can, I
take my phone and said to him, say, bam.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Not now stop it. Not now stop the touch, you know, just me.
You see,
I don't want it. So
you don't want it. Seeing. Would advise you, based on what you say, to give some consideration for breeze a church for a while, you know? At least, you know.
Somebody say, if I walk past him house, if you do that trigger me, if I drive past him house, I must on a daily basis. And sometimes I don't even look over there. Sometimes I don't even look over there, to be honest.
Yeah, man. You know, you see the brother move and him move certain way in a church, it remind you of Miss Amanda and thing and whatever. And then when him there, when
no credit, when I say him strong.
Hold on, you say the devil, don't.
And then the devil, the demons, they are playing on my head, brag, and most of the demons, they are playing on my head.
Jamaicans, why would you not blame the devil and demons?
But that's true, man. Some, hey, let me tell you something.
Listen to me. Hold on. Stop blaming the devil and the demons. The devil and the demons them have anything. You remember Mr. Man head game, cause him head game turn up. Yeah, you did a laugh and a chuckle.
Listen.
Him head game turn up. Hey boy, make a rivers of water flow, make a down river go so. Hey, listen to that sound, yeah. Hear the tongue a rattle. That the upon your mind. That the upon your mind. Have nothing to do with the devil and the demon them. When you see brother,
the demons them.
You chun and jump and you say Satan strong, you know. Look how this man here preach and me a see. Look how him brother preach and him brother mouth a move. And all me a think and I remember feel mouth. You see how the Satan, Lucifer, get behind these Satan and whatever this and that. Listen. Don't blame the demon, them or the devil. This is your little struggle for us. Lego, Mr.
Hey,
Man,
you know,
and in good mouth and in good tongue.
I give her one piece and see if I can get you right.
Well, that would be a mistake. If you want to do it, you know, I tell you, if you want to do it,
you can't stop me from doing it, Raga. Remember, I tell you, I have the powers to do it. If you want it like, right now,
no, but what you just said don't make sense, though. Only when woman obsessed this thing about closure. But outside of the closure thing, right? It don't make no sense when you say call him and give him a one piece and see if me get over it. Basically what you're saying is call him and give him a one piece, get the satisfaction and then me won't feel triggered or whatever. But it's gonna wear off and then it's gonna come back again.
So, and that's why I keep suppressing it from such time till now.
Yeah, because if him good in good, if him mouth good in good, if him wine good in good, it's gonna just kind of intensify it back. So if you Lego something. If you breeze it for a while, you breeze it for a while and go back. But if you Lego something. But I go back this and say, all right, I think I'm gonna take one piece and thing out there. You know, if you
one piece, the one piece them never work. I know much time like would I say with done I'm a black man, and if me just glimpse him somewhere and him come over and say something to me, it gone right back to square one.
See that exactly.
So that's why I'm just hold my own this time and I really nah look.
Yeah. All right. Angle your business, man. So hold on. Last thing before you go. But you help yourself, since you're not doing nothing with nobody, you help yourself differently.
No, sir. It just Me don't know chat. Me don't know if I'm the only woman in the world that we don't have a rose. I swear to Christ, Papa.
No, I mean have a rose, but even if you don't have a rose, you don't help yourself.
No, me not just the rose alone. Me not do them something. Me used to, not get me wrong, but I years now. I'm tell you, that do them something. The raga like me, say the man them out with the phone set business.
Yeah,
with the farm. Yeah, but. To just get up and a rope clip. Me don't know.
No, it's not you alone, You have a whole heap of women out there, they have never ever masturbated and would never do it.
Well, I did. I've done it several times, but as me say, I know something with my practice and I like say me just get up and do it or whatever. And as me say,
you don't enjoy it when you do it. You don't enjoy it when you do it.
Of course, but not random. Just get up and do it. It has to be like me and the man. We are away from each other, and then we call and say, we are talking, and then it just leads to that, and in that sense, me enjoyed. But for us get up and say, even since we,
well, one second. To the person in the chat will say, it's a sin. After me finish with the call, I come into you. One time. I go to her. I go and say something to her. But when
what the Bible tell about them something? What do I say I sin?
What the Bible tell you? Why everybody tell a lie about the Bible? The Bible there say nothing about masturbation. nothing. The Bible says about masturbation.
But all right,
what the Bible say? What the Bible say about masturbation?
But listen, me can't quote the Bible for that one them raga. But even if the Bible not says so, we sin daily, different type of sins, and every sin are the same sin. So you will come for me because me do that. In which me not do that. So me no wanna really meet them at all. But
who come to you for say what? With what?
No, like say. So for instance, I say, me da masturbate or whatever, and somebody I say, that's a sin, and them come by me.
Don't pay them no mind. Because the person who say it's a sin to them probably do it to and feel guilty and they are judge you.
Me not put that on my head, because me not do that, but when me just say, some might have masturbate, some have fornicate, some are, where the next one name,
ejaculate.
Some are sex without marriage, some are sex in a marriage and still a step out. So anyway, I take it, some are thieves, some are killed. So anyway, I take it, people are sin every day.
Yeah.
It's right? No, it's not right. Yes. But I just life.
Alive. No worry yourself, man. All right. Angle your business and do what you need to do to keep yourself balanced. You hear me?
All right,
all right, then. Cool. Protection, man. Cool.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yeah, she said, fornicate, masturbate, ejaculate. You know what's the whole of them? Something that end with 8. ATE.
Listen
it. God. Boy. Anyway, my mother did a live, that's my picnic come and make you love get trouble. Ban for get trouble, Miss Cherry boy. Miss Lady, who posts in the chat say masturbation is a sin. Right? Because obviously you're parroting things that you have heard. I grew up, which unfortunately is something that is quite the tenor in our Jamaican culture and whatever. Right? Where you get that from? Say masturbation is a sin. Nowhere in the Bible says masturbation is a sin. Nowhere in the Bible. Even if it is in the Bible, we're not going there because we don't know what happened when we go start talking about the Bible. But we're not going there. Right? Nowhere in the Bible it says that masturbation is a sin. There is no record where God or the manifestation of God from the tripartite Jesus, who is part of the Trinity, there is nowhere Jesus said anything about masturbation. People wanna have no issues and things, wanna have no choices, no preferences and things. That's okay. It's okay for you to like or dislike something. whether the thing is secular or religious, whether the thing is sexual or non-sexual, that is okay. It's okay for you to say, no, I don't want to do that. Even if you don't understand why you don't like this or you don't like that. Be reminded, whatever you like or you don't like, by definition, it's cultural. If it's cultural, it means it's patterned. If it is patterned, it means you learned it. If you learn it, it means it's not universal. Peeing is universal. Eating food is universal. Breathing is universal. Everybody do that and whatever, right? Your likes are cultural. Your likes, you learn them. They're shared meanings that you learn in the cult society where you come from. The problem with some of you now is you have these things where you learn. Somebody taught them to you. And you believe they apply across the board. And in order to sanctify them, in order to render them untouchable, in order to give what you like the status of untouchability, you use the convention the very writers of the Bible use, which is to frame it in the context of God. And when you do so, you render it untouchable. Because who going to challenge God? And if you challenge God, you're wrong by definition. So that is what people do when you parrot, repeat things that were instilled in you. You don't analyze it. You don't examine it. You don't assess it. Some of you don't even have the capacity to assess it and analyze it. But you just repeat what you hear at church. And pastor there at church, I tell you, say, back as a sin. Pastor there at church, I tell you, say, this and that a sin, that and that a sin, and whatever. When nothing goes so, that's their interpretation. And you know what is interesting with this? These things want to bring up. And I say, it's a sin, because for it to be a sin, it must be ungodly. Because that is what sin is. So by saying that it's a sin, you're saying that God has rendered that act to be wrong. And by doing so, you don't ever realize you don't disrespect God. When I make it look like God, I sit down and I wonder who I give blowjob and who I eat out pum pum and who I this and that. God, none of them careless this day. Whether you like it or you don't like it, that's fine. But don't mix up God in them something there. Just because you don't like it, which you're entitled to. You gotta say God says a sin. God never says so. If stop tell lie upon God. Stop tell lie upon God. When are wicked? When stop tell lie upon God. So preach, Pastor Raga.
Listen here.
What? You see at them time, yeah? If my sister ever hear me, you know, she could be like, you see it? Him have it in him, you know? Anytime I get to him, my sister, you know, you're the pastor in him. Me hear it in him, him just need for channel it. Right? You know how my sister hear me, you know, my sister have it, you know, say, why you don't be a pastor? You'd be such a great pastor, whatever. Marveling, stop. It will never happen. Right? I'm too outside and unruly. Right? You know I'm outside and unruly. Right? You understand? So Miss Lady who go post a thing and go say it's a sin. Again, you saying these things and you don't think about it. You don't say, where did I get this knowledge from? Is this information credible? Where's the source of this information? And if it is supposed to be a sin and wrong, what makes it wrong? Why would God render this wrong then? What's inherently wrong about it? Why God would say this is wrong? You can do this with other things. You know, if you thump a man in the face, you're causing pain and harm to somebody. Well, I could see why that is wrong and da-da-da-da. You know what I'm saying? But when you don't think, people just grew up with some things and you just say, well, not it inside down. I don't know how it get inside down. All right? It's okay if you don't like something, you know. Me would defend anybody who said, no, I don't like that, I may have a right not to like that. Yeah. But a question of personal taste is some, no pun intended there, personal taste. Well, a question of your personal choice is something totally different from God's dictates, from God's admonitions, from God's recommendation, from God's rules. And again, people just get caught up in this thing like, if you want to just say something and to make people leave it alone, just put God on it and you're good. And Jamaicans and a lot of people across the world, they're notorious for that. Two things them do. If them make an argument and I tell you if you say you're not to do something or whatever, then put God in it, it's a sin, or them say, the Bible say. And when the Bible say nothing, you know, it's just a thing them because the Bible say. And nothing go so. Them do it all the while, so they don't make people fall feet. Yeah, you think critically, okay? Because it cause no stressing and no for you. No for you when you do the things them do. And when you in the middle of it, and you wind up in it, and you enjoy it and done and all them something there. And because of these people, when you're done, you feel guilty and feel say when I go hell, and feel say when you go the pearly gates, God I go turn on the back and say, I can't believe I go do about them something. They make him go do that to me, and me go do that to me, make him go and guilt ride, you know. And then you go back, go do it again and do this something them again. Duh. And every time when you do it and you done, and say, I do it again, and still do it again, and in this angst, in this anxiety, in this back and forth and thing like that or whatever. When you do nothing wrong. All right? Anyway. All right. Remember, you know, okay, I don't know over here, if you don't heart me yet, do it now. That is, tap the orange heart beside me. Tap the orange heart that is beside my name on your device. So you see where Ragashanti is? You just tap the orange heart right there. Sampat. Just tap the orange heart and it will just guide you to do a thing named Heart Me. All of you do that, right? Remember, you do it once every 24 hours, right? Tap the orange heart right beside me. You see it there? A thing that go up and it follow it to do a Heart Me. Licious, big up yourself, you know. All right, here we go. We get some mix up in the night. Thursday night, you know, people. All right. Thursday night. Hello.
Hola.
Hola, hola mi amor.
How you doing, Raga?
Estoy aquí trabajando durísimo.
Raga don't know hola alone, you know.
Hola. Hola, Guantiti.
A long time. What happened?
Damn, man, I give thanks and not cut and go through, you know, I go.
Oh, so Raga, you know some avant story we give from one day.
Yeah, kick where my foot with it.
Oh, like this man, right?
Yeah.
Did I talk to this man? Who did I talk first? They live overseas. I meet him. We'll go to have dinner and them something there. So, you know, like we there and him try to tell me, you know, boy, you know, say, woman always love him, man. Me say,
wait, when I say you're on overseas?
He is overseas. I live in Jamaica.
Oh,
so
right, okay.
him fly come down 2 times, never do nothing.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
next time him come, like, he must say, two man kind of hold out on him, like, he must say, him know why me a hold out, because me go fall in love with him, and me go love him, and me. I'm say, you good, sir? So me I say, alright then. Him there, him friend, him look a thing, you know, him take care of him, and I go tell him, like,
Yeah.
so one day, now, like, him come, they there for a weekend, go over him house. So my daddy, I'ma say, alright, I go test the waters, you know.
See.
We do the things, them raga. Me a perform when me a perform, me extra. Come here, say, man, I go make him think say him better than me.
Yeah.
Because always I say when him fart out, woman, they mad over him. So me I say, alright, me go say who I go mad.
Yeah.
I give me A game, everything, raga. I give me A game. I'm gonna look like a A plus. Me give him.
Yeah.
So what my daddy know? I say when him drop my home, like for the weekend, him did I go back.
Yeah.
So him drop my home, and then him say him never gonna leave till the Monday, but him did have some things for deal with in the morning, so him never want to stay up at the house by myself. So me and I go up on the road with him. So when my daddy raga, the man call me. I not answer. Him call me. All when him a go away, him a leave, I go foreign, him still a call me and I don't answer. So him use somebody else's phone and call me. So I answer him say, Strawberry, you know some calling, so I say, me never seen a missed call from you. So me I say, alright. Me never want answer the call, you know, cause I say number what me not know, me not like answer.
Yeah.
So him say, alright, me go call you from my phone answer. So him still call me off him phone and I don't answer. So him a say, him a ask me, him a say, well, I never sort you out good. So I say, yeah, but it never all that. The way that talk, I think me woulda call you, like me woulda call on your phone all day, you dey on the road, me woulda call you. So him say, so where you try for say, I say, you just never did bring an A game, and I did look for see the A game, because you say when you start out,
You know, say you're wicked, though. You know, say you're wicked, though. You're wicked,
yeah,
enough.
because him full of too much chat.
Too much chat and things.
Full of too much chat. When you full of too much chat,
Yeah.
move flap you. Or when you bring
Discipline him. Yeah.
move flap you. So him say, someone never did start you good at me and say, it never all that, you know. It never all that. I tell you, say swiping game up in a raga boy, but you know, but me have to make him know, say, listen, the other woman them where you deal with, them not used to sort out. Them give the edit, them will just take anything as you give them.
Yeah.
Say raga, when him go foreign, my block him.
Hey, I straight, hey, I want to listen, you know, say, me tell you, say, woman, you hear what, all right, you hear what Strawberry just said? She said, the man, A game, the on point, you know, right? But through him, hype and a go on, or woman, a dead over him and whatever, she a make sure, say, she show boy or game run, right? What I always tell you, the thing wanna enjoy the most or the thing wanna love the most and thing, you must be able to say no to it. You see how she can get a good A-class head game, but still a put boy in place. One black and that structure down.
Black him. Say no say the man find me on Facebook.
Yeah.
And he say, oh, I'm gonna send man a me yard come analyze me. So I say, for what? You know, me not this year, but it just never all that. Me the things say, me would have a call on your phone. From if me knock up, me say the man ball, him text my mother. Me don't know, oh, him going on my mutual friends and see my mother and start text my mother and tell my mother about she for talk to me because oh me and this thing. When me tell my mother what happened, yeah, my mother, I block him now then. So, me not like when man have too much talk. Don't try do that. Worse, he might try bring down other woman in and a table. And know somebody with Keisha and I'm mad. Keisha mad out, you know. And like him phone and ring him not watch ya. I done this a call me, you know. And one time I get she the thing, you know, and so she call me down.
I saw him go on.
Yeah.
But you know, say my idiot door. You know, say my idiot door. Him a fool, man. Him a idiot, man. Me not diss him, but him can't do them something that when things are, you know, him a basically a draft for you and what when things say you are go think, no.
Say, Raga, I did have a flappy, man. Like me, I say, all right, me have a plan for you. I have a plan for you, man. I say, I didn't like him, you know, because I know him nice and everything. But I didn't have to put him, I have to make an example of time for the rest of the woman, them way I go on about.
You see it?
Yeah, me did have to make an example of time, like, why you so cockatty, why you so hype about it? You don't understand?
Do I think him have game, man, and him no know game? A baby to the thing, man. I fix him, man. Fix him, set him right, you know.
He all come to Jamaica and see me a party, and I send call me. To me now come himself, and I create excitement.
Yeah.
So, that not gonna work, you know. One to your woman, then where the mad over you. Me not mad over you, sir.
You see it.
Me not mad over you.
Yeah, man.
I don't want a man when I can't mad over. Because I don't know how the rest of women them did a mad, but me not pick up that mad stuff, man. Then. I say, Raga, you could have a game little more.
Yeah.
More make you feel disappointed in yourself. Email say, I forgive me another chance. Give me another chance to prove myself. Myself to prove. I don't have no time for waste.
See it there. See it there.
Time for waste. Prove yourself.
You see it there. You see it there. Well, if him was a real player, I know him that read the game and just go so boom. And just whap it back for you know.
Raga,
and if it done, you know.
Listen, man. The man speaks so highly about him to hype. You know, some woman that say, oh, any boy get this, them, that. Me not tell you that, you know, more you get it and then you say to yourself.
You see it. Humble man, humility man, him too hype, man.
Yeah.
All right. Now say a word, Queen. Big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, Raga. Take care.
Yeah, man. Love and blessings, man. I see you at up a place out there and thing. You can't take time with the people, them. You can't take time with them. Nah, man, if you ease up on them, man, sometimes you go hard and a bust them head too wicked, man. If you take time, man, all right?
Yeah, Raga.
All right, Strawberry. Bless up yourself, man. Cool. Yeah, man. Cool. And him not a game, man. You know, him too hype, man. You can't look, woman. And for example, Strawberry, I one of them woman they who clean and proper, you know. So if him did have look a sense, him should have, you read somebody and say, you know, so that woman you not idiot and thing. She not claffy. She not frightened Friday to the thing and whatever. But I look him say him I look her, you know. And you have the man they who stay so, and them I look woman and the way them look woman is for show off. He might look woman and he might show her. So in a film book, be a girl a dead over me, you know. Oh, so she must feel good and happy now and frightened. Say, he might draw for she. That are the match in a film head, you know. Yeah, man, crazy girl a dead over me. Crazy girl a look me and this and that and where. Oh, so you must feel lucky, say me interested in you. Well, if that work with some woman, then it'll be a woman who you know, new to the game or frightened Friday or a never say come see or a baby to the thing. But if you come up with a woman now who like, you know, want a stranger to the game, somebody like a Strawberry, you know, will sit down and listen to you and I say, The only reason get a run from all Strawberry, you know, is that she said, no, him treat her good. So him did that, you know. That got true. But she not frightened. So you can come with a good game and all them something or whatever. It don't mean she go frightened. You understand? And that's the power, man. You can get something sample. You can get something like all the best of the best and just still say no to it. Go. I tell you, say, a woman me learn that from, you know. A woman me learn that from. I tell you about the woman where lose her mind about the wickedest sort out where she ever get. I tell you about her. And when she go in a detail about her with her, how the sort out turn up. This is years ago, years ago, when she done, she said, never again. So what you mean? She not going back there. But everything what you just described to me about over 2 hours the wickedest side and you not go back there for nothing. Nope. And that was the first time I start understand this concept. You're like, if somebody give you something we're in a feed them realm at the best and whatever, you have to be careful how you go hype, you go frighten the feet because a person that then will control you and then start clown you or start diss you or whatever if them dip on an ego trip. That's why you must can get the best of the best from somebody and if it come down to it, cut off them ass and say, don't want it anymore, bye. And that is power. That is power. Particularly with somebody who flex that way there. Yeah? When them see you can refuse them, cut them off, drop them and whatever, you own them now, Cause really are them weak, Remember, anybody who have announced, said them have something or them good with something and them always have to announce it, they don't have it. Anybody, man or woman, once them they announce them are this, them are that, and them run this and them mad them people and whatever thing like that, nothing no go so. And those very same people, if you just sit down and listen to them and you give them the same thing with them I said, the power with them have over people, you're frightened if you say them a behave that way they with you. Because them not have it. If you really have something, you don't have to announce it. The people them who really have certain things, them not announce it. In fact, the people them who have certain things and whatever, it turn them off when them say other people announce them things that were them have. Most rich people them not going and announce them rich. The really rich people them. And when people come on and announce them rich and whatever, it turn off and them draw from them people them. If you people who pretty, you hear them get up every day and say them pretty. Them no need to do that. Them pretty. The world knows them pretty. People who really pretty don't go around and announce them pretty. Them just clutch. Them just easy. People who really have a heap of people that draw for them don't go around and show off and say them are people that draw for them. Used to it. It come like nothing to them. So them no need to say it. And then when people just meet them people and them know say, say that man there or that woman there, I can't see say enough people that enough man that go draft for that woman. They don't need to announce it. It's just there. So once you hear somebody announce something, it's just like it's 9 times out of 10 it's a dead giveaway. Right? And the only time they make reference to it, there's sometimes you have somebody who would be in a certain way and then will make reference to it all the while, even when they don't need to. And it is when that is the only thing about them. That's the theory. Let me give you the example of it. You have a woman who cute and good looking. And for that woman, the whole world is about looks. All women have nothing to do with looks is looks, but she's really good looking. But she don't have nothing else beyond her looks. So she's the type of person now, she will watch something and one man push over one table and it licks somebody and he must say, go away. And she will say something like, a woman like that will say something like, where am I going so far? And I'm not even cute. Where am I do not have nothing for cute, but that is her point of reference. Everything about her is whether or not you're cute because she's really cute. So you do have those people, but they are one-dimensional people. Right? So you have them one-dimensional people, like if them cute, boom. Men, you have man who are for them example, like, they might have money. They might look at woman, what you do with a man, the women can do for you and whatever, this and that and thing. Before you talk to the woman about some other thing, give you make she laugh and whatever, that's all enough for them, man. Because it's just the money him have. So I'm one-dimensional. So those people, that is how them announce them one-dimensional thing, them one-trick pony, them one thing will give them weight and credibility. But outside of that, once a year, some people in general announce this and that about themselves and that. Them don't really have it. And when them don't really have it, them are the easiest people for you flip the thing upon them. Remember the saying, if you want to know what somebody fears the most, identify what they use as a weapon or what they use to hype themselves. Again, if you want to know what somebody fears the most, identify what they use as a weapon against others. Or identify what they use for hype themselves. So in the case of Strawberry, you saw that man there use this thing for both things, for hype himself and as a weapon. He might reduce the woman them and all these things and whatever, and I tell them, woman, she call me or whatever, this and that. I weaponize that against him, say, him hype. And whole heap of people are rush him and him no want them. And when Strawberry don't give him, and him a rush her, and Strawberry no want him. So the thing when him fear the most, are the thing when him hype up about all the time, and are the thing when him use as a weapon against others. You see it? Watch your right. Yeah, man, and some of them, from them open them mouth, you know, you read them play right away, you know, you're not have to ask, you know. You them there. Yeah, I got Jesus, I'm a grape juice done, you know. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh my God.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, Raga.
Hi, boo boo.
So, actually, I've met you before.
You
Like,
have?
I have. I've met you like maybe 14 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you were like the sweetest. I don't know if you remember, but you were in Sav for I think it was the Bust It Out thing.
Yeah, well, the Bust It Out tour, yeah. The Bust It Out tour, yeah.
And I had met your stage manager, me and my friend, and you were changing, and he brought us backstage while you were changing.
Wait, who was the stage manager again?
I don't know.
Oh, and that was a good show, you know. That was a good show with the Bust It Out tour, you know. The Sav show did hot.
It was.
Yeah.
And I've been trying to call you because I wanted to share this story with you for like 15 years now, but I could never reach you on the air.
All right. And look at that. See, they know lock and seal. Make we hear it.
No. So, you used to have this topic called, I think it was church mix-up.
Mm-hmm.
And at the time, I had a real spicy church mix-up I wanted to share. To
All
this
right.
day, I still remember, and I laughed.
Yeah,
So
man. Make we hear it, see you, man.
So, I'm a Christian, and me and my friend, you know, we used to go, we were always at church. We're at every crusade, whether it's our church or not. We just love going, and
Yeah.
our pastor knows that. So, you know, he always encourages us to do that.
Mm-hmm.
So there was this one month where the pastor, I guess he had to go overseas, and he had guest pastors every week. And he had around like 5 guest pastors. So it was Youth Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
And there was this one guy. So my pastor, for a little backstory, my pastor, he was a professor at the theology college.
Mm-hmm.
And one of his other bishop friend had a son that was at the theology college as well. So he was the guest speaker for that Youth Sunday. And after he preached a real good message, you know, after the service, he was like, me and my friend, we were talking about, you know, the late night free text that we used to get, you know, a long time. So me and my friend were talking about it, and he was like, so me can't get no number, so me can't text on it too. So we're like, okay, you know, he's a brother in Christ. We gave him his number.
Brother in Christ, you just see this developing nicely. Yeah, okay, all right.
So we gave him our number, but I got home and he was texting me. He didn't text my friend. So I'm texting her and I'm like, he's texting me, he's saying hi and whatnot. She was like, well, he didn't text me, so maybe he likes you. So I was like, no, I don't think it's that kind of thing. But then, as the conversation developed the same evening after he just preached, he asked me if I was a virgin. So, back then
already.
Well, I took it as, back then I thought pastors were so holy. I couldn't even imagine them having sex. So I thought he wanted a virgin. So I asked him, I said, no, I'm not. Are you looking for a virgin? He was like, hell no, I'm freaky. I was like, what?
That the pastor said to you.
Raga?
Yeah.
He sent me some messages. He used some terms and told me some things he wanted to do to me. I could literally feel what he was texting.
Okay.
Of course, I had just gotten baptized, so I'm still a baby in Christ. I'm trying to do the right thing.
Yeah.
I went to my friend and I'm like, what should I do? I can't believe he's sending me these things. So she said, let us go to the pastor's wife and get advice from her. So, because we know the pastor just overly religious, he will just, he was too much. So we went to the pastor's wife and I showed her the messages and I asked her, what should I do? And she said, I should cut it off and I need to tell pastor. And I begged her not to tell the pastor because I didn't want to get the young man in trouble. And she was like, okay, if you cut it off, I won't tell pastor, but you have to cut it off. So I got home and I texted him the following day, which was the Monday. And I said, hey, I'm at a different place in my life. I don't want to have this conversation. So I tried to cut it off. And he said to me, I've been through a lot. I guess he said he was molested by a woman. I don't know if that's true or not. So it was trauma. And he said he was going to fast and pray and I shouldn't cut him off. So I'm like, I was naive. So I'm like, okay, I'll wait until he said he was going on a 3-day fast. So he went on the fast and come back. And you know how the Bible say when an evil spirit leaves, it comes out with 7 more worse than itself?
Oh,
That's
the Bible says that? Okay, all right.
That's what happened when he came back. He was like 10 times more
freaky
with the freakiness. I'm like, what kind of fasting were you on?
And then I look like that fasting that did work, no, sir, it never worked,
I don't know. I never even know people go down on people while they're on their periods. I learned that from him. And
hold on, that him say?
Yeah, he was like, oh, you can be in the shower, you put your legs up, however, and I was so disgusted at that point, I cut him off. So this is where this was like, this is where it takes an interesting turn. I cut him off, I blocked him, I decided, okay, I'm not going to deal with that. Me and my friend, we used to clean the church. So one day, like a month later, we're cleaning the church. The pastor is sometimes there with us, but he told us he was leaving. He's really nosy, so I think he came back and didn't tell us, and he was just in his office listening to me and my friend talking. So we're there talking, and I'm saying to her, I can't believe he was sending these. We're talking about the messages, and he was listening, and he heard the whole thing. So then he called me in his office, trying to lecture me, and he was like, Monique, as a new child in Christ, you can't be talking to certain type of people. And I overheard your conversation and I was so disappointed. So I said, well, pastor, that was a pastor that was sending me these messages. So now, because he knows that I visit other churches for convention, it was a Baptist church, by the way. And he was like, see, that is the problem. You like to visit other churches because I'm sure it wasn't a Baptist pastor.
Lord Jesus.
So I'm like, I don't know what to say. I don't want to confirm anything. But then I said, actually, it was one of your pastors that you brought into this church. Now he starts naming all of the pastors. There was this one pastor that was actually really nice and respectful. And he was like, I think it's him because he's single. And he even mentioned the guy that texted me name and said he's sure it's not him because he turned his life around. So of course I'm not confirming anything. So he called my friend because he wants to know which pastor it was. So my friend don't know what was going on. She just came in the office and he's like, Monique was texting the pastor. And then she blurted out, Pastor, me and Aunt Flo. Aunt Flo was the pastor's wife. I didn't mention that I told his wife. So now he got mad and he was like, my wife? You had my wife swear to secrecy? And now he was like, no, I want to know what's going on between you, my wife, and a pastor that was in this church.
Yeah.
So he actually maliced his wife for like a few days because he was upset she didn't tell him. So I had to tell him who it was. And now he calls the guy's dad and, he's telling the guy's dad that, he did that. The father was like, he didn't believe it, so he has to see the messages. I didn't have the messages anymore, but I guess the son confessed to it. Now the pastor want to call a meeting with me, my friend, and the pastor's son, and the other bishop as well. And Raga, I was so terrified because when we got there, I was like, Pastor, can you put up all the scissors and the envelope openers? Because I was afraid of what he would do.
Who would do? The guy. Okay,
yeah.
okay.
So then he
So you say you want them to put up the what? The spears?
The scissors and
the scissors and the envelope opener. Okay.
When you think stab somebody.
You know what? They're gonna stab you up in a meeting, don't?
No.
Yeah. All right. And so the meeting time now and.
Yep. So now we have the meeting. The father came and my pastor sitting there, and the guy, he's looking at me. If looks could kill, I try not to make contact with him. And I was sitting all the way over to the other corner, and his father was like, we've been through this before. So apparently it's not the first time. And, his dad started crying. And then my pastor over the other table, he's just doing this little crying. I don't know if he was really crying, but it was so weird. And I looked at my friend and she was dying with, the laugh where you're laughing till you're crying.
Mm-hmm.
That's how she was there laughing. And I looked over at her and I just busted out laughing too.
The two are, no?
Yeah, we're there laughing.
So the two are laugh and the two senior pastor bishop them a ball?
Yeah.
The boy father plus your pastor a ball?
Yep.
And so them a ball from the disappointment and the shock in him,
But it was just one of those weird things. I couldn't hold it in and I'm poking her like, stop laugh. And when I look over, he was looking at me, Raga. I said, this man, if he could kill me, he would. And what was so funny, he got kicked out of Bible school.
What do you mean, kick out the theological school?
Yep, he couldn't be a pastor anymore. So he got kicked out and I guess he just went to do a regular job. So like a year later, I was leaving work and me used to love bus front. So I was sitting in the bus front and somebody came and sat next to me. And when I looked over, it was him. He didn't say nothing to me. He just sat there. I was coming from Montego Bay to Sav. That's like an hour drive.
Familiar with that drive there. Yeah. Uh-huh.
It's the longest hour of my life. And I'm texting my friend like, he's sitting right next to me. And he didn't say anything to me, but when I got off, he was like, have a good day, beautiful. Raga, I felt like I was going to pass out. But
and still had a thing for you,
I guess. But, that made me look at pastors differently. And I always say I would never date one because that was like an eye-opener for me. But every time I think about it, sometimes I just laugh.
No, but tell me something. I mean, everything you've detailed to us, you did nothing wrong. You did nothing wrong. From the initiation and stuff like that, you obviously did nothing wrong. But is there anything in that whole ordeal, like were you to do it over, that you would do it differently?
I think I would have shut it down immediately. I wouldn't have especially from, the whole virgin conversation and he told me, no, I'm freaky. Mm-hmm. I would have shut it down immediately. Mm-hmm. I don't think I would bring my pastor involved because I thought he was really dramatic. And then it did kind of affect his marriage and trust between him and his wife because, of course. And then, the guy getting kicked out of Bible school, that was, I felt horrible for that.
Yeah, you see, on the one hand, somebody looking and be like, wow, he got kicked out of Bible school, or it could have been dealt with in a way to admonish him, punish him, and then still have him stay in Bible school to become a pastor. But on the other hand, you have to wonder if that's if he was so deep into that type of eroticism and that type of freakiness and whatever, and then was just convincing his parents and everybody else around him and him preach and everything, right? So he was clearly living a duplicitous life and whatever. And then he was preying on you, and an innocent, vulnerable young girl who, at that time, I would imagine that there was much about the world that you did not know. So there was a degree of naivety there, and he had targeted you. So one has to wonder, like, yeah, probably that was God's way of saying, I'm going to take you out of this, because if you succeed in going over and becoming a pastor or whatever, you are going to abuse other young girls and whatever. You know what I'm saying? So there's that other side to look on it. Because some people may hear you say this and be like, John, no, I can't believe she broke him foot them way and make him do even, become a pastor. But then there's another side to say, hey, probably, God removed him from that because he was going to do some damage to a bunch of young girls or cause some sort of collective trauma in a congregation and thing based on, the road that he was down and thing like that. But that was quite a mix. That's a book, it's a second, like yesterday we get to a mix up with the man who ended up asleep with him mother-in-law, with him ex-girlfriend, mother-in-law. And now tonight we have this one. This would make a nice book, This is a foundation for a nice mix-up story or whatever. You understand? And after 14 years, you see, that's why you know for rush nothing, I know me did forget to mix up, man. Right? I know me did forget to mix up. 14 years, yeah, well, I mix up and I say, say Raga need to get that mix up, yeah. And that mix up, yeah, need for reach Raga and see it there. You understand? Don't rush a thing. If you forget it, you will get it. You see it? And here we are.
Someone in the comment, I honestly do think that he didn't really want to be a pastor. He wanted to do it for his dad. And he was in bad company at one point, and so he was just trying to like show them that he changed, because that's one of the things his father was like, I thought you changed. But I always tell people, like, you can't rush Christianity. You have to just allow God. Because I'm going to be honest with you, Raga, even in that period, I remember when I first got baptized, I had a navel ring. And I remember I went home and I took it out and I broke up all of my reggae dancehall CDs. And I could not focus on God because I still miss them. One time I'm walking to church and somebody passed with I think it was Sweet to the Belly song or whatever.
Yeah, Cartel, Sweet to the Belly. Me know why woman love that song, this one. Say people think my call Black Cartel and think of that bus cartel. Say Sweet to the Belly bus cartel. A Sweet to the Belly really, that song the really bus cartel. Yeah, but yeah, when they did love it, so when you hear it now and think that the time you done baptized.
Walking and dancing to the church. My friend said, "What you did do a church where I go?" And I'm like, "Oh my God!" And I had to realize that it's not by works. I had to allow God to transform me. So I ended up putting back my navel ring in, and I listened to my music. And over time, I found that okay, I don't like listening to this anymore. Or I only want to hear the clean version. Mm-hmm. And my relationship with God is stronger because no one dictates how I should, progress. That, and I feel like that's what happened to him, where he's probably he wants to change, but he's not there yet, and they're pushing you to be a pastor. Where he goes, women love pastors, so not only is he gonna try to get with them, they're
women love pastors.
Well, they do, not me. After that experience, I don't.
But women tend to love pastors and them them kind of throw themselves on the pastor. Worse if them can't preach and the pastor them have swag on them something they don't.
Yeah, they wear the tightest skirts, sit at the front. I've seen it. They do. But, and I mean, I know people who have been married to pastors and they say they cheat on them and all these stuff because a lot of people, they do it for the looks and not really because they have the virtue. I would say.
Yeah.
But I hope he's in a better place now in terms of, his walk. But I mean, he didn't seem too mad to get kicked out because he told me to have a great day. So
Yeah.
probably a weight lift off his
No,
shoulder.
man. Family just weak to you still, Now say a word, man. Big up yourself in respect for the mix-up and things, see?
Thank you for having me up.
Thank you for regaling me with this really complex mix-up with all its layers and hues and all this stuff and thing. Big up yourself here.
All right, bye.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool. Yeah, that was quite a mix-up, Yeah. A church mix-up, man. I tell them they're on the next level, But you see, the young pastor go after the young congregant, and the congregant, she a fear friend, and you go to the pastor wife, and the pastor wife says so and so and so and say, all right, boom, 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 boom. Pastor over here and move to she and thing and whatever, and she a hold out. I try to say she a protect him and thing and whatever, and it end up when the pastor and him wife fall out about it, and it reached the other pastor, the bride father, the thing and whatever, and father got to the son, and I think it did change, so that means that the son did stay so long time and thing and whatever, and big meeting call, and the two big man them a ball, and the two young girl them a laugh. Yo, I want one for me, I want one for me and the ring and up and go around and come around in that mix up there, And you see how she just flow? You see how she just flow? She not itch, she just flow, and right, you say, it's true, she not itch. You understand? And the mix up of these little unique anecdotal elements to it and whatever. Yeah, man. Good mix up, man. Yeah, Millicent is a movie. And think, Carleen, here gallery. Wagwan, good as. Big up yourself, 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 big up yourself. All right, people, bless up with the juggle. I not stay late tonight, I tell you. So I'm about 8:26. I'm about half hour for me. I leave at 9 o'clock tonight. I got work to do. Like work or pay bills. Like work or pay certain bills. You understand? Me have them work there for do so. I tell you from now. Me gonna leave about in about a half hour. Kimberly, you sleepy? Oh, you sleepy? Okay. Sleepy, I tell you good night, the Kimberly. Dr. Mark, Raga from what day you leave us earlier and earlier. No, so the show must go. The show is from 6 to 9, right? I only did that bring up 69, but the show is from 6 to 9. Uno just get brought regularly past 9. As we say in Jamaica, and me broke no bad, right? Broke no bad, Jamaican phrase, right? It's 6 to 9, right? Wanna get a little extra. So if me done 9 o'clock and whatever, and you don't get 3 hours what I show, that's a good thing, right? That's a good thing, right? So if me do it for 3 hours straight, that's more than good, right? If me do it for 3 hours straight, that's more than good. You understand? I'm satisfied, man. All right, let's go. Let's see what we got here. What happened? Oh. All right, let's do this. Okay, so masturbation mix-up or any other mix-up. Taller, big up yourself, my charge you. Right? Big up yourself. Masturbation mix-up or any other mix-up way, all right? Hello? 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 All right. You know, so we're not in a time wasting. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Time ago. Time ago. Through the fire, through the limit, through the wall. Just to be. Hello. Anne-Marie. 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 Earlier, Creme de la Creme said, a dopey, a be a dopey a come up on the live. Somebody who never understand what I go on move to Creme de la Creme, and I said, that's not nice. Don't say them something. They don't say them something. To the person who moved to Creme de la Creme, you don't know why she said that, okay? What she said was in reference to the call we take the show last night. So you don't know why she said it, but you thought she was just being mean and nasty and whatever. But she wasn't. Yeah, Creme de la Creme said, Raga, I saw it and moved on. I don't follow up on things. So, yeah, so you don't know why she said it. She was being sarcastic and making reference to a caller yesterday and how that caller characterized people who came up in the box and didn't respond. So I think you thought she was being insensitive and mean and whatever, but it's because you're not a regular, right? And you weren't here yesterday. That's why you thought she was doing something bad, but she wasn't. But everybody who was here last night, they got the joke. You didn't, okay? But just so you know, she didn't do anything wrong, all right? So me see that, some of us make it, if you did there last night, you see that show like this, it makes sense to there nightly as much as you can, because if you're not here nightly, there are things that going to throw you off, you know? There are certain things that that are a product of continuance, you know, from stuff that went on in shows before. There are times when things are happening in the show, yes, and it is in reference to something that happened 2-3 weeks ago. Who there every night, get it right away. Right? So if you're new here and you see something, be careful. What you think you see might not be what you see. Right? Because you're not a regular here. Okay? Just a suggestion. Yeah, season 10, episode 20. Don't you really, Tony? Yeah, because enough things go on your way, you know, in reference to something else. All right? Masturbation mix-up or any other mix-up won't have liquid Thomas. Raga, what you have wrap up in your right hand? Me not have nothing in my right hand. Oh, yeah, read wrong. Oh, well, yeah, see the thing opposite. This is my left hand. And since you want fast, see that? It's a tissue. Liquid is a tissue. Happy now, bitch? Bitch? Are you happy now? Oh, again, people, I'm a brethren, so don't get it twisted, okay? You happy now? Yeah. Yeah. You happy now, Liquid? I'm damn fast. You see how you're fast? I worry about Delmarine and don't worry about me. You understand? Worrying on my hand. Dirty man. People don't get it twisted. Liquid, I'm a brethren, right? Since we have some of the new people here, I think or whatever, I probably don't know where I go. Liquid a foundation. Right? Liquid and one of them will build this too. You understand? So we give thanks. All right. Masturbation Mixup or any other. Masturbation Mixup or any other Mixup or have. Masturbation Mixup or any other Mixup or have. What elegance, what you say? Dirty man is sending me. What that mean, elegance? Yeah, Teddy Bear, tell them, you miss a day a Raga live, you miss enough. Yeah. Elegance. What that mean? Dirty man is sending me. What? I mean, I understand that, you know. Oh, it mean it's really funny. Oh, dirty man is sending me LOL. Okay. Yes, elegant. You see, you're bright. Somebody explain that theme. That's a nice way of saying that. Bitch is slow. Somebody help him over there. Go away from here, some man. You're out there. This bad man. I want to that woman here, man. This gangster. Yo, Craigton, where I go on? We have some general. There, you know. Feel good in the night and whatever. People, you know, I feel balanced and relaxed in the night. I have some work to go do, you know, like work. Yeah, but creme de la creme, I'm new, so I'm wiping my shoes and walking in with my church finger up. Verbal expressions, big up yourself, man. You soon turn veteran in this, man. Run this killer squad. Large up yourself, man. Daniel, work or reading? You got jokes, huh? Daniel, you got jokes, huh? Well, work or reading or whatever. Long me, Raga is a reader, man. You know, I'm going like, you don't want to rate me, I'm a reading, you know. Oh, I'm going like, you don't want to come style gangster with him reading, don't. People wanna pray for Kimberly. She said sleep and nasty her up and whatever. She not sleep last night and thing. The boss come check her last night and Kimberly said she not sleep all night. The boss have her up, you know. Yeah, work and rest and thing, you know. And put Kimberly to a marathon and thing, and at one point me said the boss said, all right, go cook some food now, and Kimberly there to go cook some food and thing. And she come back and thing and I meet the food. The boss goes to boom and work back the food out there, you know. Diana, baby, Raga, give your mix-up. Why you don't call in and give a mix-up? Why you don't call in and give a mix-up? You know how much people give mix-up over here? You know how much mix-up me get? About myself and whatever. Why you not calling and give a mix-up? You boy, you come here and ask about that, come give me, eh? Diana Byfield, why you don't send up something in that chat and come give a mix-up? Don't. All right, people. What time? Now, you know, some can't leave now. Do an early night, you know. Wait, Carol all there, Craigton? Me not see Carol. Carol there? Craigton, Carol there? Really, Carol. Me not see Carol. Craigton, me not see Carol. Oh! Carol, big up yourself, you know, good for see you, boo. Carol, what go on? Carol, me see you up in the night. I big up my London people, you know. What time now? 8:38. So it's like 22 minutes to 2, I think. Did I get that right? Yeah, somewhere there, but. All right. Diana Byfee says she don't have no mix-up. Everybody have mix-up, man. Everybody have mix-up. Right? What Liquid I said to Delmarine, any day Delmarine give a mix-up, I'll personally fly to California and take her to anywhere she want to go. Watch ya. Delmarine is the Liquid I try dry out. So Liquid, what you did there when Delmarine used to call in and give mix-up? And I'll read our poetry, them and all these things. How you did there? Eh? Eh? How you did there? Then Liquid, you're late to the party, man. The boss left you, my G. Tass, what go on? Everything is everything. People, you know, so I really give serious consideration to the stand-up comedy show, the one-man stand-up comedy show. I gotta have DJ Chris Cross and mix it up and make it, you know, if I do that next year, you know. Yeah, you know, just go on stage and perform and tell some sample mix-up, you know, like mix-up from Jamaican culture, mix-up where me involved in a mix-up where me know people involved in and whatever and thing, yeah. Elegant said do it, Dr. Mark said do it. No, man, I really appreciate for true, you know. I really appreciate for true. I want to do it, you know. And CBS says she'll be there. But Tassa do something before the year is out. No, we're going to have a look at get together like December. Dr. Max said, Raga, you have to get into the panty business. Jude said, you are very funny. You make me laugh every night. You would do good. Raga, give a college mix-up. All right. Hold on. Vibes Empire. You ever hear Sprinkle Sprinkle? Everybody will hear Sprinkle Sprinkle. Understand? Vibes Empire. You just ask for a college mix-up. You ever hear Sprinkle Sprinkle? Kimberly, me not ask you, you know, say, well, Vibes Empire, you hear that one day already, so I can't tell that one day then. Big up yourself, Antasha, you don't know. Tony Green, me love your history class. Then. You know, a whole bunch of, you know, several people say that, you know, and it's usually people who not call in or whatever. But they say that, because sometimes they think it did kind of, you know, I always get into this nostalgic thing and them something like that. But you know, so quite a few people say, no, Raga, you always bring up them old time something there, old time Jamaican something there where remind them of things and when people say it trigger other thoughts, you know, them individual respective thing and make them remember other things. So I know I always talk about things. They say, no man, back in my day as a youth, we used to so and so. There are people over here who love them something, you know, like love it, like as a special, unique thing. They're like, no, we love when you do that. When you do them something, we love that thing there when you always talk about things and whatever, because it make me remember look at things when we used to live and whatever. And like this one lady, there was something I thought about where she said it makes you remember her grandmother, who she said raised her. And she just went into all this stuff that there's no way I could know all of that, you know. But she said them look at something that trigger those thoughts, you know. So if you talk about marble or something, somebody may remember marble, but they may remember the school where them used to go, and they may remember which part them used to live and all them something there, whatever and thing. You don't know. I love me look at country where I come from, you know, Jamaica and thing and whatever. We have so much to be proud of there. And we give thanks that we live long enough where we can look back on some of them things and say, do you know, remember when we used to kin pupa licking a sand? Yeah. And you just walk on the road and them days the people could have out them sand and them gravel in front of them yard and nobody no teeth it. Them days there. And you just, what? You buck up on all that, I wait name the son and a beer ramping and boom flick and kin pupa licking his son and all them something, you know. Real to Raga, good idea, but stand up in America on a nice like one time. You have to be careful. Lawsuit or the thing. No, me nah. No, and then I know. Yeah, my thing wouldn't be like that. Yeah. Me not call nobody name or whatever. Me I do a stand up, it invariably it's gonna be on mix up. Jamaican culture and thing like that. No name not call, me know the game, you know. Raga the mix up with a girl from India that had your ticket. Yeah, that is a college mix up. Oh, no. She wasn't from India. Remember, her grandmother was from India. But she's Indian, yeah. Oh, no wonder. Hi, Raga. It's happy birthday, Olivia. Jennifer Goodall's daughter. You know, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Oh, no wonder. All right, I run that one quick before my cut. Here I go on. So, when I was at Vassar College doing my undergrad, right, I was popular on campus, you know, and this is not an ego thing, you know. I was really popular, like in my aki. You understand? And my thing about Vassar was that before Vassar, me did, you know, that typical Jamaican thing, where you have your little girlfriend and you have, you know, you run down woman and you draft for woman. And that was the game for me. And then I go Vassar. Vassar was the first place I go where me have woman a draft for me left, right, and center. I never used to that. Never, whatever. And what was going on there, it was a small liberal arts college in Poughkeepsie, New York. And it was known for academics, you know, like, you know, people who go Vassar, they're usually pretty sharp. But it's also, it's steeped in history. So it's one of the so-called Seven Sisters colleges that were aligned with the 7 Ivy League universities, you know. So Vassar was aligned with Yale University and things. So, and then you have, you know, for those of you know, Bryn Mawr, Williams, and all these other things like that. So Vassar is old money, high status, you know, and thing and whatever. And so you find, a lot of the students that come to Vassar, them never grew up from black people. You understand? So them not really know that's something there, much less a black Jamaican, you know. So to some degree, somebody like me, you know, I was a novelty. So you have all these women coming from all these rich backgrounds and whatever. And there's a thing in America, like once you go to college, a time for your broke out, you know? Or even if you don't think a time for your broke out, you got their own people who broke you out, right? And before me go on that way name there, the way name there, the mix-up one, the mix-up when we get mashed up. Again, you know, when me go Vassar, my knee, me did a work on camp named Camp Jewel. And one little white Jewish boy got convinced me, say, you're tall, you're black, you can dunk, you can do it. The boy about 8 or 9 years old, I mean, like, I dare me that guy and listen to him. I say, you can dunk, wet basketball. Him say, just run up and dunk. It's natural. You can do it. Go ahead. You can do it. You can do it, Kingsley. Go ahead. I'm going to run up and I try to do it. I know me not even reach near the rim and thing. Mash up it while I'm in knee, you know. Mash up it while I'm in knee, you know. And then look at nastiness from a limb and then in a pain and come over and come. Oh, wow. I guess you couldn't do it. You know. Of course, I didn't want to strangle him, but that's a different thing. But anyway, mash up it while I'm in knee. I'm in knee, mash up. But so it was the summer before I go, come did already get in a Vasa, and I go Vasa, so it was the summer. So when I go Vasa, I'm up on crutches. So when I come in up on crutches now, the woman who run housing, Faith Nichols, she see me up on crutches and whatever, and be like, we can't have you going up stairs and whatever, this and that, but we'll get a room for you, like, you know, where you can this. And she just started look out for me. And I saw me get my own room, which was a big deal because you don't get a single unless you're upperclassman, you know? Like if you pass freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, and then people that get single. And I was getting a single as a freshman, but I was older than the average freshman then. So, you know, my daddy and I go around on crutches, tore all the ligaments in my knee, get surgery, the arthroscopic surgery, I go around and thing and them. And you know, in my room, and thing one day, ground floor, one dorm named Noise, Noyes, Noise. That's the name of somebody old school. I hear a knock on my door. Someone said, come in. I went, remember, you know, first week, this of us, you know. And and this black woman come in. Me see her about the place. Beautiful and thing, you know, like not fluffy, but you know them thick body woman there, but curve up and full of shape and just evenly proportion and the whole thing. And you know them woman there who know for dress sexy, right on the edge, but don't go over into tawdry and skittish, but just go sexy, like jeans, sock and panner, but not too much. Top nice and figure hugging, but you know, not too much review. Perfect. So she come in and she's like, hi. And I'm like, hi. She's like, yeah, I just want to introduce myself, you know, I see you around and things like that and whatever. And you in Jamaica, right? I'm like, yeah, I'm Jamaican. We talk and this and she's like, you know, if she can't come in. I say, yeah, man, you can't come in, man. And just sit down. But remember, some that foot here, you know. I've on the whole heap of cast and all them things. Only hear this already, but so anyway, cut long story short, and we did a chat for about a good almost 2 or whatever this and she ended up and said, no, me see you around, man, and then. Yeah, you know, say, Ray, yeah, but I love you. Well, elegant, you never hear it. But me tell it already, man. We just get the context of what Vasa was like. Remember, boy, come in upon crutches and whatever, and this is a woman, a nice, beautiful, sexy woman coming in and chat me up. And then, you know, somewhere in that conversation, say, Ray, no, man, you know, boom, bam, 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 man. I say, yeah. She want to do so and so, and I say, yeah. I say, but you see my foot in it. Don't worry about that. I'll take care of that. And in my mind, I was like, what the fuck? Right? I remember, you know, up to them time, me used to a me a move. Time me like somebody a me a move, you know? Yeah. I come from a Jamaica setting where I tell him I used to part with a crew. And Gary was the good looking one. And in time we go, we want Gary to go with her because the woman them got attracted to Gary. And if we meet up on a girl crew, the pretty girl in the girl crew, I go get Gary. But because the pretty girl pick Gary, the other girl in the girl crew, them pick who a par with Gary, who the pretty girl pick. So from Gary go out with him good looking self and whatever, big nose, big head ragga, we get somebody. Okay. And that me used to. You understand? Or if me a job for somebody, me a feel lyrics or and whatever and all them something there and I buy her all kind of thing and all and look sitting there and whatever. So me in this place at the first, I tell her like, at that time at the first, a woman never draw for me, like out of the blue something. I used to that something there. And then I gave me front too. And then she was like classy too and, you know, like, and she not come over like, you know. So me I say, boom, but that place, yeah. Yeah, man, and my girl, I tell my girl, so my foot, you know, me I say, you see my foot, you say, no worry about that, man. You understand, yeah? And my girl who take off her this and that and take off my this and that and take time, put her foot at the bed upon the on the side of the room and she over there. So she just take time and put her left foot over, you know. Keep her right foot on the ground. And her left foot over me. And me in the middle, so. And the foot, I avoid my injured foot. You understand? And sit down on that, man, and boom off that and why and have that properly. And heaven. Heaven. Right? And I make like me, I can't believe the place here to blood. Glad I want that one. I said the place here nice. I think goods do our thing and whatever. And it was nice and and things like that. And, you know, and leg of the ends. And when she gone, I said, no, sir. What kind of place this? Remember, you know, boy turn Friday, you know, because boy no used to woman a draw a film them way and take one off of him. You know, boy no know about that something there. The first boy I experience a thing there. Yes, what I say? And whatever boy I feel like, you know, I feel like how Gary feel. You understand? And then from this, so the rest was history, man, because foot get better, the whole works and whatever. And when I tell you Raga broke away, I did have one friend, Todd Johnson. Because my foot did get better before the first semester, you know. Yo. Again, you know, just imagine, Bassa is a small school, you know, about 2,000 and 2,300 and whatever. But again, you know, remember, you know, it's mostly populated by rich, really rich, bright people who not used to black people and whatever. And them time the boy, after my foot get better, I start work out and boy have him swag and me say lyrics, you know. I'm a get one, man. You see, by my sophomore year, the second year, down in the first semester, no, towards the beginning of the second, to remember one time. And them time, the man, a legend now, you know. Already, you know, after a year and a half, you know. Yeah, man. I remember when Todd said to me, say, yo, Kingsley, how many women you had since you've been here? And I'm like, I don't know. You want to try check it? No, I mean, like, I guess I could. So I'm sit down there and not call no name, you know. If you're a gangster, you know, so you're not call name, okay? So I did that, check and check and check. People, you know, say, me, I check and me shock. Remember, me did shock, you know, say about 30 had me gone. Like, it's a year and a half. I guess. Yes, a 30 had in you know. But year and a half in a college and we gone 30 had me. I tell you, say, me did shock and I say, but Todd, that's a lot, you know, whatever, you know. Me I tell you, say, man was a man on campus, you know, man. And again, you know, I don't know, whole heap of work, you know, like a kid in a candy store, you know, me I tell you, you know, mad thing, man. Me I lay the foundation for where me I set up for, you know. So by my junior year now, them did have one bar, one club down there, named the Mug. So by my junior year, them did have one girl in here, Renee. And our first year, the student run club, you know. And Renee, they get a Wednesday night. And Renee was the first black woman to manage the club. So because Renee manage the club now, them a play for them, you know, black people music. Then me start par with my friend Phil. Now Phil a Jamaican, you know, I'm a Jamaican and thing. And so Phil did into Heavy and Super Cat and them something. And I said, well, you know about them thing now. And so Phil said, nah man, you need to come down a black night. Them start call Renee night, black night. And as some start go down there and then me get two brethren from Poughkeepsie, Malcolm and Devon. Them a Jamaican, but them away. So Malcolm and Devon them apart. And then them start come over the club at night time. And after that, there was a little dancehall thing in at the black night. But even though it was black night, you have some American music where they run the place them time there. Them time the Queen Latifah thing a turn up. You know, Ph.D. thing did up. MC Light. I don't know some of them people who me have poor righteous teachers and them people them they for them sang them did have Mary J. Blige and them sang the Met and all them people them did have run the place, you know, and the dance them sang they did more danceable than what you hear right now, you know, and thing them did that They have go on at the time the Biggie Tupac thing and all them something there. I think no, that never really push out so yet. But you know, the place is just nice. 90s, you know? 90s. You don't know what me I talk about. Even the American music them they turn up, man. So I became a legend on that Wednesday night there. Because them never used to wind up when them a dance. And when them a dance, I never in another bully for something there, you know? So my son don't need to start play dance and I'm a play dance at before you know it, man, and thing a be a rubber dub and go and you shock them in a man. You say, when you hold on one of them woman, them man, I say, no, man. I say, come here, I'm show you your dance a song, yeah, man. Set right, you say, boom, man. You say, yeah, wind them up and them all feel the strength and lose them blood clot, man, and thing, man, and whatever. Because when you wind them way upon them never experience them something there yet. Them never experienced it. So me, Malcolm and Devon, the three Jamaican them and thing, we get to a man. I say, no night. We go down this and something to run. I ever run, you know what I mean? I said, some ever run because simple little thing where uno be like, then that's our. For them, it was the world. You know, it was like, wow, did you see how they move their hips and thing? Well, we get to a man, so after a while, you know, man, a star boy, you know. You see, by my third year, one night me I walk, I go in my mug, you know. One time me I screechy, you know. When I walk, I go in my mug, you know, and some freshman youth, you know, look white youth, them and thing, and I walk, and him time I work, and boy, diesel now, you know, and boy, walk cocksure on campus and thing, and I walk. And you have two lines, them used to sit down on the chair for go up in them. So I walk, I go down, and two youth attack, but them attack to them one another cross. So you have two lines of chair, them a cry. And one of them go so, some go so, what's up? You know? Nothing. And I go, what's wrong? You know, nothing. And I say, you're good? And he say, yeah. I'm a walk past. So I'm a walk past him. You hear him, then I wanna, oh my fucking God, you know who is that? That's Kingsley. That boy that talk of all kind of assumption when me assume about me or whatever, you know, whatever. Man, a star boy, you know. Again, you know, I make a setting up for me, I could tell you, you know. I tell you, some man a legend already, you know, I don't even leave his school yet, you know. But, you know, say next year now, the administrator who used to manage the mug and the retreat and island place, she come and she said, Kingsley, I think you're up to be manager for the mug. She named Terry. I said, for real? And she said, yeah. You are going to be the next manager for the mug. You're going to take over the Wednesday night. I said, Terry, I got this. I don't know how she go do. I don't know how Terry go do. When I tell you, say, lone woman and thing and whatever, because boy, I run the mug now, you know, so me start set up the music and I go on and me I set the tone now, you know, man. A Jamaica night, you know, that every Wednesday night, you know. You know, say people from Poughkeepsie community start come on my Raga night, and I never knew Raga them time, but them start come over my night and whatever, this and that, and it became a Jamaica thing, you know. And the big thing for we was to beat the wall. They love that. You know, we in a Jamaica, when big tune come on, pop, 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 and whatever, so, you know, this thing about your fire shot and pull up that and whatever, they just thought the world of that, right? Remember that coming like nothing to you know, whatever. But for them, it was just like another universe, I think, or whatever. Oh, when tune play and while I beat them time, they, you know, people them time, the 90s dancehall and murder the place, you know, early out, you know. Yeah, man, Buju Beanie and all them thing there and Gargamel and them and whatever. Oh, tuna, hey, I be a rubber dubber going down there night time and cock up and thing and fling down on table and be something, you know. Yeah, one time me did a, them name ACDC, the All Campus Dining Hall. And, you know, we are going online and she's like, that's him. That's the one who has the orgy night in the mug. She call it the orgy night in the mug. I beer things go on. So man a star boy, man a legend. So one night now, Me dead there now, and whatever, you know. So them time then, a man self-contained now, you know. We not run down anything, cause we have a pick of the lot. Yeah, we have a pick of the lot. So we use this, so at night time, I make my look a move, you know, cause I'm sneaking, you know, the night thing, you know, you know, that load up something, you know. So I done line up, and whatever, and boom, 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 boom. And I come in and I say, yeah, I see what go on at night time. And I see this big come down, she in a one, you know, broad hip like, but curve up and thing. And look, I thought she looked Arab or whatever, but then I find out she was Indian. And I say she come in now and with her crew and she goes so boom and give me a look, you know. So you know, woman have a look when them give when them a telegraph something to you, you know. And I look a neat way when them pray, you know. Kind of like a look over, but them not all the look, you know, them kind of look over upon you and turn or whatever. But them will look over again. And so she start do that thing there. So me I look upon her too and whatever, but let me tell you, you know, she thick like, you know what I'm saying? But shape good too and whatever, and obviously know for dress and love heels. And one thing I love my woman about heels and know for walk sexy night, man. Not only that, she could have dance, you know, and thing, you know. So she did do her thing when her friend them, you know, and you know, me I do my work, you know, because I manage and whatever, you know, but me I pray her, you know. Me I say, good set right, you know. Yeah. She did their dance and whatever, boom, bam, 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 bam. And I kind of go up on the dance floor and just I look a corner over, you know. Don't even make nobody too wise and thing and whatever. And she did their dance. And I did near her. And she did their dance and I go on with her thing. And, you know, if a woman like you and whatever and them a dance, them start put on a look extra something up on the dance floor, you know. So you for throw your punch now, you know. And whatever, I read the play. You see what I say? And whatever. And them time that you're young, so you play games, you know? So I was playing games too, whatever. This was terrible strawberry say whatever. Some of them games that go on. So, you know, them doing them, I did have my little script and thing and whatever, you know? So I go so boom now, like me, I walk to her, you know? I walk up to her and whatever, and like me, I go move to her, you know? And I just walk past her ass. Remember, I told her we play high games all night, you know. I just walk past her calmly and whatever, this and that. And I don't look back. Oh, that is key. Don't look back. Don't look back. If you look back, you lose the game. A mind game we play, you know. When them time, them have my thing down, you know. So remember, say, two of your eyes one another, you know. When I chat yet, you know. Right? And two of your eyes one another, you know. And she see me go over, you know. And when I go over, she see me and watch her, you know. So she know, you know, in a fear mind now, it's like, yeah, you know what is what, you know, I'm going to make him move, man. And him a move right to him, not Gladys or them because something there, you know. And I did their prayer and whatever. But I want to still, you know, but you don't know the levels or whatever. So you can't too go on like you're frightening. You see what I say? You have to move like you're cool. You see me? So I walk over to her like me, I go to her, you know, and just walk past her. And I walk past her, it was very important, people, when you play them look a picnic game. Me don't look back, and I know she'll look. I know she'll look for me and whatever. And I know, say, all right, you know, Raga, you have this. Kingsley. I say, you have this. And I don't look back. I just walk and go around my back, man, and I stay around there for a while. And whatever, and then I come back around my front now. And then I don't know, so I'm going to move to her or whatever, you know. So remember now, you know, me in charge, though. And me I run the game, though. And me have the skills, though. Sure. All right. So I come back in now. When I come back in, I do for spite, not look over the panel either. All right. So them time, you know, yeah, make sure. Wonder now, why am I going with? What the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you need to get them thinking. I would never do them foolishness, you know, but them time, you know, it's just like, yeah, you know. And towards it down in the hours now, when she least expect it, you know, I just move over and I whisper something in her ears and she jump And our friend them a laugh and she a laugh and whatever. Cause you know college. So at some point she must tell her friend like, girls, them share, I like, and the one that she like and whatever. So she do the shy thing and whatever, and she do the coy thing and whatever. And I'm there, I throw my look a punch and a reason with her and thing, and I start make she laugh and all them things and whatever and thing like that. Cut long story short now. Me not walk out something there and talk too long to somebody because I'm not nobody in my business. You know what I go weird, right? So I make a plan, say boom. The mug they at the bottom of the dorm when you main at the main dorm. You have main, strong, all these other dorms, Cushing all. So our dorm was on the same building with the club there. So I said, oh cool. Line up a thing and say, I come up to your room, man, and whatever, boom, bam, 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 bim, bim, bim. So, boom. Drop up her room now, but she have a triple. So she have 2 roommates, and each of them have for them single room, and for her single room and thing, and whatever, And we did that, I don't know. And man, how it go now? Yeah, them have a little chair out in the living room, like, whatever. With them little kitchen and thing. Typical college dorm. And we did the attack and whatever. And my girl just come over and just hold me. And just start walk to her room. So from sure I do that, I know what is what. Yeah. Ready now for go do a thing. You know what I say? Go in there, boom, 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 and my girl just start take off her clothes right away and sit now, whatever. And I take off my clothes too. I get on to business, done. Boom, back up my condom, ray, boom, bam, 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 bim, bim, bim. Do a look at kiss up, and thing and whatever, ray, te. Step up in a living room, I'm a Jamaican, I'm a gangster. You understand? So stylings, and we are going and we are position goods and thing and whatever we are do with Jamaican man do. Because Raga king on the campus, don't. Yeah. Raga get it the first week when goods coming on him down, don't. Yeah. So Raga working and we are represent the country, you understand? We are make sure she proud of Jamaica, right? Because this is serious. This is about national representation. So we are lean it, we are slant it, we are do it thing and whatever, we are edge it and thing, we are take it out and slap. And what them and goods are work. And when I time up in our living room, I just hear my girl say, okay, I'm gonna make you come, and then you're gonna get out of me, you're gonna put your clothes on and you're gonna leave. What? I'm gonna make you come right now. You're gonna get out of me, and after that, you're gonna get out of me, put on your clothes, and then you're gonna leave. Remember, I'm still in our living room, And is something wrong? Why you like this? Why you get like this? Is something wrong? She's like, no, I'm just gonna make you come, and then you're gonna get out of me, put on your clothes, and leave. I'm gonna say, you kind of got a little dry, and she's like, nothing is wrong. I'm just gonna make you come, but then I want you to just put on your clothes and leave. I said, let's not. I really don't know what you're up to, but she rackle me. Yeah, she rackle me, I say, chew me off of my game, man, and thing or whatever, So it's like, say, me a bounce back, me a bounce back now, so I said to good, say, yeah, what? I don't know what you're up to, but you can't let me come if I don't want to come. So I don't know what you want or whatever, so you can't make me come if I don't want to come, you know? My girl said, you ready? I said, ready for what? She said, you ready for come? I said, you can't do what you want to do, you know. Me I do what me want to do, but me I tell you, so me not come. People, that girl, me used to love say her name, but a long time, some of this, you know, decades ago, you know, I must stop say her name. But no found to know her name. Her name start with M. I said, that girl look up on my son. I mean, over her, so like a general, well muscle up and, you know, and them time when me a shell out thing, you know, man, me have girl weak, you know, man, up to them time there, you know, man, cause them not know them something there, and, you know, them just, you know, them go in and out, them not know about wind up in night and take it out and rub it pan or something at the top and slide it, and happy things me go on with them time there, you know, man. So the girl, them have me say, yo, it's not easy, you know, a dangerous boy, you know. So when she a go and say whatever and this and that, no, I say, my girl just go and say, you ready? And I say, ready for what? People, I say, my girl taking a deep breath. Me no know what she do. Is after it was explained to me, though. Right? Me no know what she do. But she doing something all me could have feel, you know. It's like a vacuum just draw what my wood off, like a vacuum tear off my wood off of me, you know, man. Me say, when this something just, she do one thing, you know, whatever, and when it draw my wood and like whatever, me don't know what she do, you know. But me I tell you, it feel good, you freak. People, if you hear Raga scream like a little bitch, you know, me scream out. People, if you hear me, whatever this and that, me never feel nothing like that in my life yet. And whatever me scream out like a little bitch, you want to hear me in there like that. John, you know, me drop the catch, man, me drop the catch. Right, the gangster gone out of me. No gangster no left in me. No gangster no left in me. The girl just hold me so and dip and look for me like I own you, bitch. And she just hold me and I did that. And I go on like a damn idiot and thing, you know, whatever. I tremble and I shake out blood. I mean, I tell you whatever, I say, what that girl you do to me? And she know what she do in the car, she just look up on me son like, yeah, and she do whatever she do and whatever this and that. People are scream. Then I know say when I scream, because I remember say it's a triple she in, you know, so she have her two other roommates. Them. Me and them a laugh over there, you know, because them are planting me like little snickering over there. I say, all in my mind, you know, bomba, John, when I share myself. Remember, I say, man, a star boy on campus, you know. So, what go on, you son, right? People don't know, so when I done, I come, so. And a piece of shame take me, you know. I mean, I look for now, my girl just come, so. Okay. You remember what I told you? Put on your clothes and go. And walk out of the room. People, me say they all wicked dirty girls. The wicked dirty girls get up and just look at me like me a piece of paper. And just say, all right, remember me tell you, all right, put on your clothes and go. And just walk out of the room, left me in there, you know. People, you know, some lay down there and if you say me had a humbling moment is an understatement. You know, when you're in a shock and you're like, yeah, I say, what just happened? And it's like me, I get mad by myself and I say, Kingsley, John, you know, you sound like a little bitch a while ago, you know. And what just happened, man? Me just feel like, you know, me like, yo, yeah, me just feel like, what she do when me do her, or what that she do a while ago type of thing. And me just get up still and I put on my clothes on. But the thing what they throw me off is that, remember, some a fun thing I go on up to that point there, you know. And yeah, in my mind, me I run the game, you know. Me I run the game. And whenever, so, but she did that come over like, say, she have me up for something. But I never really malice, you know, to be fair to her. But it did have come over like, we never did have that little friendly banter and that little thing there, you know. But what it really go on, she just like, I mean, just want to find you and just see if I could have discipline you and thing, you know. I'm going to do it, you know, so. Because I remember saying them time there, you know, me have a whole war on campus, you know, man, and everybody know, you know, so Reggae, Kingsley are the man, you know, right? And boy, they are got you. Hey, when I got you, I must go to the one of the female rugby team, you know. I get her one work, you know, she go tell the rest of them, you know, and the man I say, yo, somehow I forget piece of that boy, yeah. Yeah, man, so about 8 of them I go to the rugby team and them know, you know, them arguing after the first one, you know, she go tell them, you know, and then the rest of them come in and thing and draw for me and whatever. At them game, them did a run, you know. You understand? So like I did won the rugby team. Defeat the girls rugby team. And so I say, so when that thing I reach, my man, I tell you, say, mash me up, man. Yeah, the walk over back to my dam, it was a very, very slow walk. You know? And then, you know that walk, the way you walk, and you're kind of weak and you have to stop and rest a little bit. You have to stop and rest a little bit because me still in a shock, man, because I say, I don't know what happened. I never experienced that yet. You know, so when me hear after, you know, because at this youth, I wish she did a date after and I him make with know and thing and whatever. Apparently, not our mother, our grandmother, the teacher wants something we to do. And it's some sort of thing will come down in the line from the people them who they sitting on there with the Kama Sutra. Who know remember about Kama Sutra? Kama Sutra baby thing now, you know, but back in the day, Kama Sutra was a thing. And then them teach them something. You know, them in them, you know, over that side the yoga and them Pilates and over there so them thing they come from, you know. And then there's a breathing thing. It's not really about muscle, right? It's a breathing thing, as far as it was being explained to me. But it's a way to control your breathing through. Control your breathing, but apparently through something to do with the vaginal cavity. We give you that suction thing and whatever. And there's a timing thing to it. You have to know when to do it supposedly and whatever. But it's not just squeezing. It's not just squeezing. You know, enough women know for squeeze and them do that something there. But it's something to do with the squeeze and the breathing. But the result is this kind of vacuum. Adjust your instrument, you know. But when it happens to you, you feel like your whole body are going there, you know. I don't know if you explain it. I don't know if you know about that, about, you know. But so it's just your instrument, but when you feel it, it just feel like, you ever see it on cartoon when the character go, and you see them just kind of get sucky in one little tube and gone in, like, you know, Sylvester the cat or whatever, just go, and you get small and you pull. I saw it feel, man. Mash me up, man. So people, you know what I say, when she come down to the club, you know, in my mind, we need to redeem myself, though. And this is my junior year, you know, because, you know, 4 years of college in America, you know. So this is my 3rd year. So, I need to redeem myself, you know. But you know, you can't do that desperation thing there, you know. But I keep on a prayer. But I don't want she don't say me a prayer. But I go on with my thing them after differently, you know, and I redeem myself, you know, because my out the road again and build back and thing and out the shellings and about a woman weak and be things a while out, you know. But I want to redeem myself with she. So every now and then me kind of gear I look at eyes and whatever and thing. But it's like she not give me no knowings, yo. Not give me no look a signal like, yeah, forward again now and nothing and whatever. So I decide to kind of up it one night and thing. And I'm go over. And I talk to her and she talk to me and whatever. But you know what I talk back to her, they're like, yeah, but I have nothing against you. We're good, but we ain't going there. So that wasn't said, you know. But me feel that. And at one point, me I said, you know, if I doubt myself or my confidence get knocked or whatever, so I say, no man, you know, be yourself. But the truth is, I just never feel it. And then, you know, next time again, I move to her again and do the confident thing and whatever, but she dry same way, you know, like, no, we're good, yeah, what's up? You all right? Okay, bye. No knowings. And me I move to her and whatever, she just communicates. So we ain't going there. Remember, you know, that was my third year, first semester and my third year. Second semester, pass and thing and whatever. Senior year, last year, no, summer pass and thing. Trevor, it wasn't about chemistry. It wasn't about chemistry. I know nothing about the chemistry, they did it. Girl, they just, this is the thing when enough man understand. Sometimes woman, a lot of men know say some enough woman stay so. They must see a man and thing, and them don't want a man. I'm just want to find him, enough to know what it is like or something. Or just they say, I wonder if I could have discipline him and thing or whatever. You know, he might go on like him wicked out the road and whatever. I don't know what if a woman them a draw a female and him something there. You know, some woman have that something there, you know. And that's what she did there. See him so chumpy, one hand done. Enough man know say enough woman have that discipline there, you know. Them know beforehand. I just want to find him, that's all. Sometimes a man and a woman will agree, say, yo, we just have to do this one time or whatever and thing. And when it good, the man want to switch it and the woman say, no, we agreed. It was just, we don't make it get too serious for. Yeah? Hit and run. Yeah, perfect. Yes, essentially, I say, some man can't, you know, them can't accept it, say some woman stay, say, you know. Yeah, them may not say it to you, but I this on them there. It was a big deal. So I want peace and thing, man. Balance your thing, Mr. Man. Just cool. You understand? I mean, never did that, whatever. Because me open my ego and all them something there, whatever. And in my mind, me I try to bail back. But I punk out myself, though, you know. And I'm going to look a Gladys thing and a ball it out and all them look a foolishness. So a whole gangs I see me, you know, but in my mind, I drop a catch, man. People my ball out like a little bitch, you know, when the thing I eat, you know, that atop my head, you know, come I said, John, I can't believe I'm going to make them sound there, you know. You understand? That's never right, yo. That's never right. No, this thing I need to be corrected. It need to be fixed, you understand? And she not give me no knowing so my bounce back, you know. So by the second semester, my junior year, I let it go. Summer come, you know, in time me a bad too, you know, because I did that my little girlfriend. Yeah, I'm carry my little girlfriend go the Dominican Republic for the summer. I want a place named La Romana. Yeah, we spend the whole summer there and be a shellings and go out with that thing, you know, where I live star boy life and real. So I'm good, you know. We come back senior year and did it again and while out again and thing and what. So I forget her and thing and whatever. You know, saying I last semester. Well, that's about 3-4 weeks before we graduate. No, man, about 2 weeks. About 2 weeks before we graduate. I'm sure you said that girl is evil, you know. I'm done with she, you know, I forget her and whatever and thing, I move on, you know, and build back, you know, ego big again, you know, man, I'm king pan campus, you know, I tell us we have some big performance. I want theater in a Poughkeepsie named the Bardavon, and I'm me and the star, and the show them and whatever, you know, whirl a girl to my thing and whatever, you know, we build back, we a star again, you know, Kingsley a star again. I'm a lower, I'm a let it go. Because she now run back a thing for me. You know, it's about 2 weeks before we leave me in a mug one night and thing and this little nastiness. Me see her walk come up to me and she have a little sexiness. But you know them woman, ladies, you know them woman where you can't turn on sexy without OD it and like do too much. She have that something there. So she just kind of walk up to me with that sultry thing there. And thing and whatever. And she come up and come to my room. Wheel and walk away. I said, this blood clot girl, go to which room? door. Come to my room. So when you walk up, I say, I go. I not blood clot, but she bright. I wish I come chat to so. I'm not going. I not go. You can't come touch me in my chest and tell me and I give me order and instruction and turn around and walk away and go and like say, you know, so me I go. You're out of order. So me sure, so I'm not going. I'm stay there, I'm dance with other people because I know so I'm not going. And it in my mind, I know so I'm not going. Look for when me did one get back a look run and thing, and you know, give me a run and thing, not only give me a run, a straight rejection, you give me and whatever, this and that. Me ignore you, I'm go out the road, I'm build back my thing. You understand? So man, good again. You understand? We're a star boy, right? Lone woman to me thing, whirl a girl to me thing and whatever. Man, I run through the school like a star boy and whatever. I ever come walk up and spot me in my chest with a little finger and I tell me, but I must come to your room and you wheel and turn and walk away. You don't have no manners. You're disgusting. So I know so I never go. Then you know, start thinking about it. Then what's the thing start right? You know that's something when you do something, but you keep on and tell yourself, say don't do it, but you in the process of do it. So I walk and feel my body, I walk to a room and the one don't do it, don't go. I said, don't go, man. I said, the girl a clown you out, man. We are the gangster. Don't go, man. Don't go. But I walk, I feel my body, I go up to her room, you know. Like a little bitch, you know, man. And then I said, John, no. Yo, me don't want to go, you know. Me know some enough for going, you know, people. Me know me enough for going, you know. But because I said, I get over her, you know, get over her a long time, man. I said, how should you come do me that? Yeah, no, because the way she do it is like, you know, she basically, you my bitch. Okay? To my room. I tell you, say, boy, man, no, I say, man, no figure, don't go, Kingsley, don't go. You know, let it go. You get over this, my lad. You understand? You're good, you know. Don't go back. It's like me sense it, you know, but the other part of your ego, like me, I said, John, no, me can't build back, man, and thing, you know. Me can't go there and perform and go on with me thing, you know, and build back, you know. And the ego thing just get the better of me, man, and thing and whatever. All right. So, you know, so I'm down on the ground floor and down and whatever, I prepare myself. And as me telling the ladies, enough man not telling you, you know. But when we don't want to come, you know, and we feel come, we think about some disgusting thing just for not come, you know. Right? 99% of men do that. Ask Trumpy if him not do it. Right? We have some man stay. When we don't want to come, you may see we did it or whatever, but sometimes we are distracted. I say, me keep it 100, you know. Me think about my mother funeral finna come, you know. Yeah, sometimes I don't want to come and they come sweet and whatever. Me think about my mother funeral. We going back on Miss Cherry funeral. Me think about dead dog and them something. Me think about dirty water. Me distract myself with all kind of thing. Me I remember about World War II, the Nuremberg trial. Me think about some boring something finna come. Men do that, right? Somebody I say, what? Ask him man them if I lie, me at him. The man them in I chat a lie, me I tell her a true. Say lie or true. Lie or true. The man them in I chat. Say lie or true. If we not do them something there, we try to distract ourselves with some things, man. Yeah, see man them I tell you. Yeah, man. Say Ernie I tell you there. True, every man I tell you true, man. That thing we men do. We talk about it too. You understand? Yeah, man, when we in some good jojo, man, and something, and it's sweet, and we try for this, because a mental thing, you know, we try for distract ourselves, so. Me I said, John, no, I can't do this, man. You know, I can't do it already. Yeah, man, you turn back, come. Yeah, come, and you turn it back. You do it. You understand? We do it already, man. You feel it a bill, and you know, you pace yourself. You all slow down and thing and whatever, you know. You stop the short stroke, you start the longer stroke, because the longer stroke, them will delay it more. The short stroke, them are them the sweet. You know, and you know, you slow it down and whatever, you play it off, and you're going like you love her up and a kiss her up or whatever, and rare. I hold back, you come. You understand? Yeah. So me I say, you can't do this, man. You can't do this, man, and build back, you know. Me and I start to think about one time when I was a youth, I did a work on one site, you know. And you know, the elder them always I tell you, them all kind of friggery. So one of them say, he say, anyhow you sort out a woman, and she bust too much wine pan you and angle and whatever, and you want to bring her around the manners, slant your body. Remember, man, say, what you mean? And him I say, no, man, just slant it, man, and lick it on the side of the wall, man. I say, just because of pain, and him say, yeah, man, you have to take her out already, man. And chew her off. Just lick it on the side and lick it on the side. And then I can figure that, man, I tell me, you know. So I take them things there to heart, you know. So, you know, so I down there at the bottom, I think, no, I say, John, no, you can't do this, man. Kingsley, you have this. You have this. You got this. You never do. So you don't know. You know, you know, you go up there and you knock on the door, you know. So you don't know, you know, you kind of look a punk, so you have to kind of like stand back in your gangster lean and go on like a reluctant, but you don't go up there already like a little bitch or what. No, that what. Yeah, you know, so this ratted woman, she come, she in a robe, you know, one of them look a robe there. It's like a bathrobe, but it look lingerie-ish, you know? But it's not lingerie. It's one of them it's kind of midway between a bathrobe and lingerie. My girl opened the door, look for me, turn around, and walk away and just come so. I make that drop off her, man, and walk naked guy right in her room. My girl don't even say, come in, you know. Yes, this girl is not damn evil, look a bitch, man. Whatever. She just comes and open the door and just turn, you know, sexy, no bitch, you know, man. And just turn on and book. And you know, the robe did that kind of look a wavy thing now, whatever. It's like theater, you know. And then she just kind of just drop her and sit right there on the robe, drop off her, and my girl just walk going out the room. And I'm stand up out there like, you know, everything saying, I own you, Kingsley. And whatever. All right. I saw she move, you know. Somebody just steal up myself, you know. And say, yo, dog, you can't do this, man. You have this, man. A school, man. Just balance your thing, man, and thing and whatever. I'm going there, whatever, and get my clothes and whatever, and where she in my bed and whatever. I'm go over there and thing. But you know, that's something where you don't prep your mind and whatever, but it's like you're dead now, so in your mind, you can't forget what it happened the last time. So I feel like I kind of tense up a little bit and thing, you know. Got long story short, we do a thing and we are going good and whatever, and she look balanced and thing and whatever. So she never gone away we are doing. And then, you know, like clockwork now, you know. Cause we did it for a while too, you know, and I'm like, no, look, whatever, we do a thing and whatever, we did it for, and I'm like, watching, she go, see him line. You ready? I look on her. Wait, hold on. She said, you know, she do the same something and say, you ready? But me calm still, you know. I'm in answer, you know. She's like, you ready? I said, you can do what you want to do, you know. You can do what you want to do, you know. She's like, okay. And then that time, you know, the thing we you know, whatever is for relax. The worst thing you can do when you don't want to pop off is for tense up. That actually worsen it. If you tense up, you know, enough man don't know that. Mm-hmm. But if you tense up, you can actually, you know, that hears me. So me, you know, I said, just relax, man. I'm start my look at mind games, them and thing and whatever, you know. Whatever, you know. But she never go right away like what she do the last time. But she do the same thing when she look up on me, you know. Because there's just some kind of morbid thing with her, like she like to see. And then like she watch. She watch. She like she enjoy looking at your face like when I'm about to do this to you or whatever type of thing, you know. And she do her thing and whatever and thing. But she never kick it off right away. But me relax. And me dead there and me I do my thing and whatever and thing and whatever. But she look for me with that same thing like the last time. And then she said something along the lines like, here goes. Like something like that, you know? It's like she said, yeah, me see I try like you try to ease it off and whatever. But we go see where I am now. She said, like she just said, okay, here go. And she do this something and she go, and she do this something and I just kind of relax, see me. And people, me I tell them, man, me do everything right. People, your boy did everything, from a skill set to say, yo, hold it, man. I do everything, man. I do everything. I mean, I said this and that one time. Because I want to shut my eye, but I don't want to shut my eye because I don't want to get the pleasure to shut my eye. People, I tell them, one thing I can say, I make less sound that time. No. And just as she do that thing, it's like, yeah, the same vacuum something she do, whatever, But one thing I can't say, I redeem myself a little bit, because I never scream like a bitch, But the grunting sound, because at that time, it was like, like, boy, I stay calm, And she do that thing, so it was just like, and then she do it, and it was like, no, but all me I do, the point is, in a care way you do, the whole game for she is, I'm gonna make you come now. And you did come now. I can make you come when I want you to come. And you could try to fight it off as much as you like and whatever. Bitch, I want you to come, you're gonna come when I make you come. That was it. Somebody that try to come, but at that point, me I said, yo, this shit is happening. It's happening. But me I said, don't punk out, don't scream, man. And me say, me just feel the whole of my life I suck out of me in the right choo, And me I say, hey, never mind me, I go, yet again. I run out of breath and all kind of. And just like that, pop off again. Man, you don't know, whatever. But that time, she never do that dismissive thing there, She do a look a victory smile thing, like, because, again, in fairness to her, it wasn't, she was just having fun. Yeah, she was just having fun. It wasn't anything personal or whatever. But then when we don't know, she just look and she got look a victory smile, like. And I think, like when we roll over, she did roll over and thing, and it wasn't a rude something there, what she did do the last time, She just like, she talked to me like, no, I don't. And she's like, but she gotta go. So I'm like, okay. So we're still good, But the point is, she still have my ticket. She still have my ticket, At the time, my ego did it, It's like a woman. I said, like, no, I own you. when me want you to come, you come. You come when me want you come. Type of thing, you know? And them explain, but I don't know. I don't know the mechanics of it and them some. Me can just tell you the impact of it. With the imagery that I have of it is that when she do it, you feel like your entire body, it's like our pumps, just air, just the imagery I can come up with is a vacuum. I just feel like a vacuum goes, and it's just pulling your entirety of you inside her. That's how it feels. It's the greatest feeling. It feel good, is it? But you know, yeah, man. Then that she have my, this are 90s we are talking about, you know. Yeah, 90s, early 90s, you know. Long time, long time. Young days when you're wild out or whatever, you know. You understand? But you see, when you go through something like that, me understand why when woman get out some good deed, them say them not go back there again, you know. It's just for no, say no, just admit it and done. You're weak to that something there, you know. So we go back there so far every time I mash up here, right? Yeah, so you hear Raga say, you see something we good, yeah, you must have the capacity to say no to it. Because if you can't say no to it, you will lose yourself. You will lose your mind, you know. Don't get caught up in that thing where this thing is so good that you have to have it all the time, or you have to prove something against it because it will overpower you. Sometimes something will overpower you, accept it and done. And then leave it alone. You understand? Verbal expression. So, Raga, oh, you feel thinking about it now? Turn you on or no? No, no turn up. Oh, come on. They're young. This is undergrad. This is not even like my master's or PhD years or whatever. This is undergrad. Young. I'm big man now, man. We know. I'm just good at telling back the story. I do that. That's one of my gifts. But no, man, you know, turn on when you remember the mental parts of it, though. That I remember. Yeah, I can actually create that in my mind, you know. Particularly when she said, "You ready? Are you ready?" Yeah, those are ominous words and whatever. Because, like, you know, particularly the first time when she did it, it was like, what are you doing? Like, you change. Look at me, they are flow good and you just get in this zone. Like, and you know, she was just so rude. Like, I'm gonna make you come, you put on your clothes and leave, you know? Like, look a boy type of thing, you know? Tashi, I just ask him if him take it back. If him take back what? If I want back my ticket from her, there is no ticket to take back. Well, what kind of question I ask me? You know, she me did I ask back for a run and she never give me. And then when 2 weeks before we graduate, come to my room. Gone and whatever, you know, that's when you know you own a boy. You understand? That's when you know I have you. Yeah. Well, you gone out there, I see a star boy up on campus again or whatever. Yeah, I see you run road again and we hear the girls them talk about you or your thing up and all them something there, whatever. Yeah, man. I want to show you again, so I own you. I can get you when me want you, and me can make you come when me want you come. That's some bitch ass punk. That's some power move them there, you know, man. Yeah. Yeah. Now, man, some woman have some. I have a brethren and thing, you know. You talk about African. I have one brethren and thing, man. Him say this woman from Liberia do him something like that too. Mash him up, man. Him say when him get up, for, you know, like for stand up and him faint. I'm glad me never faint, kind of. That would have be it. But him say him faint. You understand? So some woman know some sitting out there, you know, and nothing normal. And thing, and a breeding thing there, you know. But you know, you reach a age where I understand that in its time, in the context, in that moment, in college or whatever. Something like that now, it's intriguing from an intellectual standpoint, like, wow, what's going on there? Oh, she do that type of thing. But them things, you know, you see, you're at an age, you know, where the ego thing is not, it's not like it was them time in your 20s, you know, obviously, you know, so them things don't really matter now, you know, in that sense. But back then, it meant the world to me, like, Joe, dog, you drop the kitchen where you need for bail back. No bail back there. All right, too many questions now about it. No go, man. Right? Verbal expression. I be a question she asks about it, you know. Left a story right there. You want to know too much more about it, about residual impact and all them something. Go on about your business, man. Yeah, I ask too much. Yeah, and them deeply psychological question. And we're not going there. When I get the story, leave it right there, so. Dita, not after we invested in it. Yeah, remember, as she run for her thing back then and she owned me. And me run my thing right now. Me tell you as much as me want to tell you. I'm answer as much as me want to tell you. If I work with you, could I invested a little more. When me did fully invested and thing and whatever, she never give me back the run. And when she give me back the run, she done me. You remember, I want to learn for when it's my time. Watch ya. Good. All right. That's the her name was Madhavi. Madhavi. So they did it there, Madhavi have my ticket. But you know. Yeah, run up and get done up though. Yeah. No, but me just lay the whole context for you before, you know, for make you know so me was the man on campus, you know. And I go through woman like, whoa, you know, and I shell out the campus, you know, man. And girls say, boy, the boy start out, turn up, you know. You get peace from this boy, man, it good, man. So man have the proper ego pump and all these things, you know, a star boy, you know, we get the pick of the lot. Yeah. You see me? And then if you go get shell out them way they and thing and discipline them way they and thing. Mash up my meds, man. Yeah, me build back, you know, but it take me have to kind of like chill for a while, you know. The whole world, it gets slower after the first. And you know, when you get humble and you know, a kind of state of calmness, everything gets slow, you know. You know, you're not in a rush for do nothing. You just in your own little space and thing. Humble your man. When good pum pum humble and whatever. You know, rush for lunch. You know, rush for nothing. Take it easy, you walk slow and thing and whatever, cause you know, you got a lot on your mind. You know what I'm saying? What age was she at the time? Oh, she was young. I was a little older than the average student there. And most students go to school at around 18. So she was around 21. She was around 21 and I was around 25, somewhere thereabouts. No, I was like 23, 24. But she was around 21. She was 20, 21 and I was 23, 24. What's the name of the move called? Me don't know. But again, it was something taught to her by her grandmother from India. And it more had to do with breathing. It's breathing and muscle. And you guys, you know, if you do yoga is about stretch and this and that. But a bigger part of yoga is breathing. Right? You see them man that we used to bust rock on them something and whatever. I know this whatever. It's about breathing. And the breathe, you know, you see them go and get that wind. It's something to do with controlling your breathing. And it is something, it is also something to do with, it's just it's almost like the internal geography of women. It's something where only woman can understand, if that make any sense, apparently. So it's just something to do with women makeup and breathing. I don't know. Shall say it's called tantric. I don't know what name or whatever. I don't know nothing. I just know it's something her grandmother taught her from India, and it have to do with breathing and muscle control. See? Anyway. Anyway, I don't know, it's a sub live tomorrow. It's not a regular show. So for those of you who are not subscribers over here, or what TikTok is calling it now, super fans, you won't be able to do the outer sub live tomorrow, right? You can subscribe now by becoming a super fan here. You can do it right now, and you'll be able to be in the show tomorrow. And that is when we're free up, really talk. It's really a sex entertainment private talk show just for subscribers who TikTok, they're now calling you super fans, right? So if you become a super fan over here, you can participate in that show tomorrow, okay? That we do on Fridays, right? So most Fridays, not all Fridays, but most Fridays. All right. Yeah, Angie Melly says she have a call in tomorrow and rub out Raga. Yeah, watch ya. You can't rub me out. You're from Canada. You're from Canada. That means that your thing automatically flop. You understand? Nobody try to be like Madhavi. You can never be in Madhavi's league. You understand? Right? If me hold you, me mash you up. You understand? You know the Madhavi skill or whatever. You can't even manage me. Bill, man. Right? Yeah, so Canada people. I saw them talk over Canada, you know. And them have the worst sort out. The Canadians, them sort out pop down. The Bajans, them sort out pop down. Right? The English people, them sort out pop down. Canadians, the English, and the Bajans, them. Yeah. One of them sort out pop down. All right? But I try running for mother of the India thing. The Indian people, them are murder them. Yeah. Carol, big up yourself, you know. Raga loves you. Carol over there in England. All right, so sub live tomorrow. Subscribers only live tomorrow, or what TikTok is now calling super fan. So you can be a super fan here, and you're in other live the tomorrow. All right. So remember, I say it's a private live tomorrow. All right. But you can become a super fan now, and you'll be supporting the Ragashanti TikTok platform. Okay. And you get access to the super fan only shows. Okay. All right. Nadine Wang, big up yourself. Daniel Large. So good night, people. So you want to make me end up past almost 10 o'clock. Lord Jesus. Yeah. Patrick Lewis, best up. Sonia. Well, Sonia, you're there. All right, thank you, Sonia. O'Connor. We have another Sonia here, you know. I'm bracing myself because I'm looking for, you know, I think I just might do that show. I don't know when next year, but yeah, I am a good storyteller. Squeaky, do not open that door over here. I don't want everybody to come do that something there. So don't advertise things over here, Squeaky, okay? No disrespect, but don't do that. You know, I want, you see, when one person start with something squeaky, other people are going to start advertise things to them come in over here, okay? So me not do it to people, me not go on people live and do them something like that, but I don't want people to do it over here because we have had problems with that type of thing in the past with my shows, okay, Squeaky? So me see I advertise where people for come for see you and thing and whatever, but don't open that door. And just so you know, be fair, Squeaky, I don't do it to people. I don't do it to other people too, okay? Me not do that something. All right? Build your thing, but not do it in the chat. All right, Squeaky? Cool. The crafts woman, why you didn't marry her? Why you didn't marry her? What do you mean? We never did. And you don't marry somebody because you get good sort out. You mad? All right, pretty one, queen, bless up. Good night, Sonia. All right.